あ、hello にゃ。バッチャル猫の猫宮セバスチャンですにゃ。Today we're doing a video editing stream of our last video editing stream of our last Slay the Spire stream, if you can believe it. I set up this new overlay and it seems to not work. Yeah, so I tried I tried to download the okay, let me see if I can show you something. Oh gosh. Cha-chan. There we go. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay. I tried to download this. Firefox was not having it, so I don't know. The stream didn't download, so we're gonna be doing it the old-fashioned way. I currently have 2 instances of let's probably move over here. Yeah, I have 2 instances of oh my gosh, OBS open. So I'm gonna actually show you the way that I actually do it. Where I'll like find a clip and then like, ooh, that's a good clip, and then I'll like I don't know, like go down to 1x speed and like actually record it, and then like go from there, so it will be a more accurate representation of how I actually end up doing things. I don't know how it's gonna work, so we'll just see what happens. Yeah, let's try it out. Okay, I was gonna say, has my intro had no volume this entire time? That would be so embarrassing. Alright. Oh no. Yeah, so at this point I'm just looking for... Oh gosh. Wait. Ah! How's that? Oh gosh. Yeah, at this point we're just gonna be like looking for clippable moments. And then record them, and oh no! After we gather all the clips, so... It's such chaos! 40 minutes-ish? So, I'm just watching through it. Watching past Neko. Yeah, who's the past Neko now? Past Neko. At that point. Hey Neko, how's the editing going? I just started. Oh, we're just talking to chat? Here, can I? There we go. Exactly. Here. What'd you do? Past Neko, you screwed it up. Not you, past Neko. You past Neko, you're okay. Not you, past Neko. Oh, wait, it's not recording us. Hold on. Oh gosh, nice. Yeah, everything's waiting on this end here too, past Neko. Oh, maybe it just didn't go at full screen at all? Okay, never mind. Yeah, I got the fire eggs over your text updated. Yeah, so... Oh wait, is this first part just reacting? So it's gonna be like meta? Like reacting to the reaction? Oh gosh. Oh no. We may just skip to like when we actually start do the editing. Whether I should attack a bunch or just defend a bunch. If it lasts too long, I always feel like I die and take more damage, so... Because I do the actual editing around... Wow, I spent a lot of time editing, oh my gosh. Slow Neko. I think that's the play. Oh no, it's kinda... I'll stay over here. What the heck, past Neko? What are you doing? Moving around the screen like that? It's like half turning into a reaction stream, I feel like. I would never. I would never do such a thing. Ha ha ha. Why can't I scroll the right direction? There we go. Which one is the real Neko? Nice. Yes, that was very nice. Don't I show Notepad++? Did that not show up the whole stream? I thought I had it. Yeah, I was setting up Notepad++ for doing a coding stream. I don't have a really good way to do it, but I'll see if I can tweak it a little more and then we can do that. Oh, that's true. Yeah, I still want to do that coding stream. I still have some more stuff to set up though. Like really early on, I feel like, but it's not as good later. Let's see if like energy relics or things to make it cheaper. Oh gosh, the overlay like skip. Gosh, half these are turning into semicolons, half of them are regular colons for the time code. Already chaos. Yeah, I don't know why I do that. Like the semicolons versus regular colons for like time codes. Time codes. I don't know why I do semicolons. Am I just too lazy to press shift? Lazy Neko? Troublesome bargain. What are you saying, past Nekomia? What the heck? Yeah, past Nekomia. That was pretty weird. A troublesome bargain. Actually, I'm not thinking it's as weird as I was then. Oh yeah, just reading we can probably skip. Oh gosh. I'm so there's so much stuff going on. I'm like oh, you know what we have to do here. Oh. I'm lost. Ah. To gather clips for our video. And don't worry if you missed the stream because we'll do a video editing stream of this one as well. To make sure there will be like a tutorial left over, so. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's today's stream. That's what that is. Okay, how do we do this? Oh gosh. Wait. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Yeah, the wahs are always hilarious. There we go. Nekomiya Tower. Ha ha ha. Nobody can outmatch. Too powerful. Hold on. Huh? Yeah, babe. You guys are gonna see some escape from the Matrix here. Let me fix this thing. Hey, what's up? Pass Nekomiya. What's happening? What's wrong? It's okay. I'm here for you. Oh, wait. It's okay. I'm here for you, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Pass Nekomiya. How do I do this? This is the times. I'm like logging each moment I want to like do for the clip. Yes. And like, can you see my open files? No. Yes. Head pat. Oh wait, I can just. There we go. Snapping. Unacceptable. If I scroll, then it kind of messes up my. Yes. Iko. This is my jam here. Anyway. Yeah. I'll just keep. Nekomiya-dayo. Yes. There we go. It's like already so much chaos just watching one of the past streams. One layer deep is already so bad. Oh, past Nekomiya, you have no idea how much worse it's gonna get. In however many days from last stream it was. Heck ton of elites since you made like a million relics. You can start writing a script for your videos instead of doing compilations. Yeah. I just haven't done it. So are the videos just gonna get longer and longer? I have plans for stuff like that, just like it's like so much work. Not so bad at it. Like I need to practice something more to get it. Like even with 2 times speed, I think they'll just still get longer and longer. Oh my gosh, past Nekomiya is like freaking zooming. He's all good luck. Hope you enjoy your video. Good luck at work. Hope you get sleep since it's 2 a.m. Sleep well. Bye now. All those things. A video editing video of this video will be ready for you in a little bit. Wait, did chat not work? Yeah. Oh no, wait, that's my current chat. No. Old chat. Oh, I'm covering up old chat. I fixed it by the way. Look at the current thing. My current chat is like. Watch the editing video. It's here. Yeah, I think my plan. Oh gosh, full muscle. Gosh. That's 7. That did happen. Oh my gosh. And then, so that's a regular video, and I'm doing an editing stream of it, which will produce a video of the regular one. And then I will make. Hold on, I have to think here. Yeah, so there's a main video. It's okay, take your time, pass Nekomiya. So this is the main video, right? This is an editing stream for that video, and then I will make in this stream a clips video, highlights video of this stream. Next stream will be a video editing stream of this stream to like be of a video of like how to video, like a tutorial sort of thing, right? Like maybe with a voiceover, maybe we'll do a script. Since we can get no 10++ on the stream, maybe we'll do that. Oh, good idea, pass Nekomiya. I didn't even think of that. To the final stream of that. Well, edit that reaction down. So total like 5 or so streams. This is tutorial video. Yeah, so this is just the highlights video in this video editing stream. Next editing stream, we'll be editing this stream, making a tutorial of how to video edit. Yep. Couldn't have said it better myself. Son, Halonya, thanks for coming. Let's do it. This is level 3 or level 2 of the Matrix, depending on how you view it. This is getting out of hand. Now there are 3 of them. Oh, it's gonna get so much worse. Actually, maybe not. This may be the last one, but thanks for coming. Why? I couldn't download the videos, so we're just gonna actually record the clips if we find any good ones. So we're probably just going to be like hanging out and like reacting until we get to the video editing portion of the first video, and then we'll actually start recording stuff because it's basically just reaction of a reaction of reaction at this point. Thanks for coming. Yeah, it is getting a little out of hand. I just love the death noises. Remember Vadim? Had like such a good idea. Was that 30ish maybe? Yeah, Remy, those was a genius. Maybe I could do that. Maybe I could be a voice actor for like effect noises. That would be cool. That was pretty good. Good one, past Nekomiya. When you're at the campfire, when you're smithing, you do like a clink, clink, clink. Yeah, that one was mid. That one was mid. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's pretty good. There you go. Music. Wait, the boss music? How's the boss music go? Oh, it's weird because it's 2 times speed. I'm not gonna commit to this, but I can do the sound effects for it. Yeah, sound effects. Is YouTube got chat bug on my stream? Wait. I need a second opinion on this. Oh. So you see the chat above the current chat? Is it like, oh, I guess you can't see it because the like Catholic chat that was overlaying it. It looks like it looks like top one. The first ones you don't see. Unless it's right from when I see them. I don't know why. There's too many. We cannot be stopped. Hey, don't do that to pass Nekomiya or pass Nekomiya. Hey, not cool, pass Nekomiya. Sorry, pass Nekomiya. There you go, head pats. Yeah. Yes. Can I have some head pats too? Hey, what the heck? I want head pats too. Hey. Jerk, what the heck?
Like you go in, there's like 10 things in a row, you know? I guess boss fights and stuff are like math thing are that way usually. What's that? Oh, flex potion. That's like the least useful potion.
Nekomiya no Osoroi. A lineup of Nekomiyas.
True.
True, it is true. Past Nekomiya, how can I didn't know you could read the future? What?
You literally play it forever until you get bored, which I don't think I ever can. Slay the Spire, it's like the only game.
Yeah, true. I do never get bored of Slay the Spire.
I just like roguelikes, so
Give your future self head pats now. Wait, that's such a good idea. Hold on. Where's future Nekomiya gonna be?
you reach the walls of the spire and
Maybe here?
do other things in the spire, like you can do your voice acting kind of thing. Like,
Like there? Yes, yes. Iko da yo, Nekomiya. Chan, what do you use for your own name?
You know you could be, but you can't because you're struggling there.
Nekomiya yo. Waga kawaii boku yo.
Upgrading in frog is actually so good.
Yes, yes, yes. Iko, iko.
I think something in chat said like, oh yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
like you should get that. And it was definitely the right play. Yeah, I never used the transformer.
That was a good idea. Oh my gosh, you're way more thinking about this than I am. That was smart.
Draw cards and just like spam upgrade it. I think that'd be really fun. Maybe not viable, but it's fun, honestly.
So, if the previous video I was watching the stream at 2 times, and I'm watching that video at 2 times, is past Nekomiya at 4 times speed right now?
If you get like what is it?
Because 2 times 2 is 4, or is it only... Wait.
Like one more non-gold exhaust card, because I think like several of them are gold and it's hard to get.
Or would it be like, you know, like 2 times 1.5 or something?
What's the one like it does like the colors?
Or is it just 4? I have no idea how that works.
No way. That seems so challenging. You have to like get good luck and actually like aim for it. Like maybe we can do that on stream at some point, like during stream, until I get that achievement, get like a small deck.
Small deck stream, let's go.
Sounds awesome.
Maybe not. Let's not go.
On stream, then I can react to it.
I think it's just 4. Yeah, that makes sense.
We haven't clipped in a while. There's been nothing happening. Past Nekomiya is just like I don't know, rambling or something.
I guess if it was like half times speed or anything, it gets weird. But for 2 times, I guess it's just easier math.
Oh wait, so you can exhaust it then? It counts also? That's a little easier to achieve then. That seems really fun. Actually, wait, maybe I'll try that. I'll put that on my stream, I guess.
I think I saw a clip of that on Twitter. I was looking at the Slay the Spire hashtag, and like yeah, I saw a thing where they exhausted like all the cards and they just had a like what was it, drop kick, and the enemy was vulnerable and they're just drop kick, drop kick, drop kick. They drop kicked the heck out of the Act 2 boss and like just spammed it over and over, just drop kick, drop kick, drop kick. And because they were like, it was like drawing itself, right? That was so cool.
I don't know what past Nekomiya is talking about at all. Chat's fine me actually. Weird.
Okay, let's see. Can you see the chat? I mean, it looks fine to me. But I feel like even with the current chat, it's cut off at the bottom. That's just a YouTube thing, though, I think. Because if we look... Oh, wait. Here, we'll stay where we are. Yeah, let's see. Oh, no. Wait. I think it takes me longer than 20 minutes to like beat the first like elite. I wouldn't be able to do that. Wait. Oh, filters probably? Wait, why is it weird? Okay, what's weird about it? This won't dox me, right? Yeah, see, it's cut off anyway.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, I guess you can kind of choose it a little bit.
Yeah, check it. Oh, it's behind everything. But if you see, it's on the bottom now. It's like it's cut off.
That's nuts.
At the bottom, like just like that's with no filter. That's like without the crop filter. It's still cut off.
It's very cool.
Yeah, the filter just takes off the top part. Why is it cropped at the bottom though? That's so weird.
Like mouse ears rather than cat ears on this small, huh?
I guess I do kind of look like a mouse. I did that again, 2 times.
Yeah,
Reused joke over here.
I think definitely changes AI based on like if you kill the daggers first turn on, like kill too many or something.
Is that the same size? There we go.
Oh, there's multiple of them. I think that's what I was thinking of. That's crazy. How do you ever?
Oh gosh, I'm
How do you ever do that?
losing control of my... What is it here? There you go.
That'd be fun, like aiming for achievements stream, kind of like how
Scroll wheel.
Oh, we'll flip it again.
Wow, past Nekomiya is going ham. He's like screaming over there.
Achievement streams or whatever, so kind of like that. Neko completionist. I can think about it. Or maybe just do like a single stream per achievement. Because it probably takes several streams just to get one of those achievements.
Yeah, true. That'd be a long-term goal. I need to beat Ascension like 21st.
You know, other than the intended game path.
Or just spam go up the spam climb Ascensions first.
Like normal players will just go through the game like playing the default way and like instead of like, you know, it like shows a different way to play and like, yeah, I think that's cool. Like introducing new things with achievements. It's super good design in my mind. Another stream I've been thinking about is maybe a Duolingo speedrun stream.
Oh, that would be cool.
That would be so fun. What language? Like in, oh, I don't know. Just like speedrunning, just like trying to whatever Duolingo. That'd be so cool. I love Duolingo streams. Like,
Duolingo.
Like I'm basically creating an account and try to speedrun through all the Japanese lessons in one sitting.
That would be pretty cool. I'd watch that. I'd watch the heck out of that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I don't know how it works anymore.
Yeah,
I change the system because if you like fail, then you'd have to do the. You'd have to like not. You'd have to be pretty competent at it already, I think. Because like learning from scratch is too much stuff unless you like wrote it down and like. I mean, I don't want to say cheated, but like kind of cheated. You know, I wrote stuff down and like.
Yeah.
He's doing a lot of like exact answers and stuff.
Yeah, true.
Japanese master in 8 hours. That'd be epic. Wait, actually do it.
Yeah, I'd watch the heck out of that. Oh my gosh. Oh.
That'd be very fun.
All right, it's okay. We'll switch positions. Not in a Yave way, just you know what I mean.
Isn't that such cool reason? Wow. I don't know how physics on that even work.
There you go. Which one is the real Neko?
So yeah, those penalties might be a problem. Yeah, I mean for Duolingo you have to like write it down, or you have to be like used to like because Duolingo specifically has very specific answers. So like if it's something like I eat bread, if you say like pan wo taberu compared to like that'd be wrong. Like once you say watashi wa kono pan o tabemasu,
Yeah, true. Yeah, they really. Oh,
Duolingo only accepts like the
sorry. They really like get you on that stuff. Like it'll be just like the littlest thing, you know. It's like I don't know. I think they're a little better with like not dinging you on the watashi wa, but like. I don't know, some stuff like they just it's like it's a less what do you call it, like idiomatic, it's like a less idiomatic way of saying it and they still ding you. It's like, bro, Duolingo, like I'm trying to learn the language, not learn to be a textbook. I mean, I don't know, maybe some people want to be a textbook, but I don't know, I guess that'd be cool, textbook VTuber. But like, you know, that not right now, like, you know, it's probably better to teach like the actual language than the textbook definitions, or have like you know, one of each. So like you could have, I just thought of this just now actually, but like you'd have one for like, I guess they kind of have this with the conversations, but have a more, you know, like shown like that, like you have exercises and it's like, yes, this is textbook Japanese, so you have to do the watashi wa and the, you know, des and whatever, but then you just have a regular like on top of that, right? Or like, you know, a side course. You could also have the like colloquial, like sort of Japanese as well. And for every language it's probably a similar thing, you know. Like in English, you know, you could do like, you know, I am going to eat this bread versus like I'm eat the bread, you know. kind of thing, yeah. I don't know. I think that'd be cool. Maybe I'll make a language learning app. I made a flashcards app. Language learning app seems significantly harder. And so does talking. I'll let past Nekos talk a little bit.
Did you have like wing boots to like skip all the fights? That's so sick. Oh, I think we missed something.
What does this do? Ooh. What's the difference between that and this?
Crazy RNG with the question marks. I guess it is actual RNG, not like campfires. Yeah, I guess that can happen. I don't know if I were
yeah, true.
System, like, you know, with each route you have to do, it has like, you know, how many enemies, how many question marks, how many campfires, and it like randomizes the order, but like it still has the same number of all the items. Kind of like Tetris, instead of just being completely random blocks, it gives like, you know, there's a bucket of, you know, 2 times.
Yeah, the bucket system, yeah.
You know, you go through all those and that resets type deal. So you know, in like 14 or however many blocks you're gonna get 2 I's, 2 T's, 2 S's, and 2 D's, and it's starting to sound like a Dr. Seuss riddle, but you get the point. In my implementation, when I did it, so I did.
Dr. Neko.
Wait, hold on.
Neko Seuss.
Game design stream when?
Wait, what happened? Wait, past Neko, you have to. I missed it. What the heck?
Sorry to sound like a Dr. Seuss riddle, but you get the point. Please, I think so. At least in my implementation, when I did it, so I did. Wait, hold on.
What? What happened? Wait, I missed it. Hold on.
You go through all those and it resets type deal. So you know, in like 14 or however many blocks, you're gonna get 2 I's, 2 T's, 2 S's, and 2 Z's, and this is starting to sound like a Dr. Seuss riddle, but you know, you get the point. Please, I think so. At least in my implementation, when I did it, that's what I did. All right, future Nekomiya editing this, you'll have to VOD and see what past Nekomiya did.
Wait. Future Nekomiya, you have to see what past it. Wait, what did I do? Was it something with the relic, the shuriken?
Hold on. Called out.
I was called out. What the heck?
Game design stream when? I want to do one. I don't know exactly when, because I don't know all the details. And I still need to set up like the stream, because like trying to switch back and forth between the like editor and like the game window. So there's some stuff to work out, but I think soon. Like it's on my list of stuff to do like pretty darn soon, hopefully. Unless I lose motivation, then it'll be longer. But I have an idea to work on a game, like you know, like a framework, and then like make the actual game and like do different steps each stream.
That would be pretty cool.
Like after I finish this video editing saga, maybe like I mean, it'll definitely be after that. Maybe like soonish after that is maybe the plan.
Yeah, I'll think about it. It's still on the docket, whatever that word even means.
Oh, whether we bought the star or we like chose it from an enemy award, do we really care?
I don't think we do we? But I hate leaving it unopened. Here, let's remember this. Oh, it's over here. What's the time? 38:34. Let's actually look at it, and then we'll just go back to this time. Neko talking for a while, huh? This is so much harder than it would have been to do it last time. Oh, okay.
The enemy doesn't give you a curse from one of its attacks. It's literally the worst thing ever. I talked about this before on stream, how like
Let's
enemy
see.
made the game actually fun. But this enemy essentially cancels out because it changes when you attack it, so it's like...
We'll see where we got the relic. It is from the show. We did buy it. Okay, past Nekomiya, your whatever has been vindicated. What was it? 38 something? 38, 34. There we go.
Sorry, past Nekomiya, I'm gonna ignore your advice.
It's okay, past Nekomiya. I've indicated past Nekomiya's advice. Pass to Nekomiya, if you're wondering. We got it from the store.
Black Star, yeah, Black Star Silty. Especially this one was like probably the best case scenario for it. I got like 4 elites or something. Act 1 and 2 was like
I think it was a bad buy. I wouldn't buy that again. It didn't seem to help us a lot. We just don't have any... Like, we had like a couple big attacks that were high cost, but not many like low cost spammy attacks to trigger a shuriken.
There we go. They're like both full, I can't lean one way or the other. Oh, there's really anything good during this fight, if I remember. Get that part.
Oh, like looking for clips maybe? Oh yeah, because I was writing down the times.
You need like an actually good deck. You can't just like, I don't think at least. Except that one time now. Actually, was the only time you wanted to start with that one weird deck? Never mind,
Yeah, I think it was. Yeah.
Actually, yeah. In higher senses, it's definitely that way, but...
Yeah, true. I would believe so. Oh, where are you going? Oh, I'm the character. Oh no, what's gonna happen?
I'm ironclad.
I'll beat you up, past Nekomiya. Oh no. Bop.
Yep, defend. Don't let me get hurt.
I'm gonna beat you up. Bop. Beat you up, past Nekomiya. Bop. Yeah.
I think this one kills us because he deals 6 instead of 5, so the Tori doesn't help us.
Yeah, you're gonna.
I want to be on the winning side this time.
Oh.
Oh, you didn't die. Frick, that was miscalculated. I'm gonna get you next time.
I'm gonna win now. Or no, I don't know.
Australian Neko, Nyar. That's what Australian Neko sounds like. Nyar.
Nyar.
Wow.
Ah.
Wait, it's so good. Oh my
Sina.
gosh. Australian Neko, yeah.
Are there cats in Australia, like natively?
Sounds good.
Oh, we're signing off? Okay, now it's time to actually edit.
Even helpful. That one?
Whip.
Oh, they just downloading. Oh my gosh, really good.
Wait, what? What happened? Wait, what happened?
Oh, it is downloading. Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh yeah, because I had to download it because I couldn't figure out. Right, I didn't think to open 2 OBS instances.
Oh, I didn't think of that. Wait. Oh no, this one's fine. Needs to go here. I just figured. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was smart.
Oh wow!
Sorry, Nick,
Look at you, resourceful Neko over here.
no, there's like a tiny little window. Is it? Oh, there it goes.
Wait, why am I behind it? Was I just off the edge of the screen? Past stream? Weird. Okay, now we're gonna actually record stuff.
It's good, right? Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this will really be. We need this. If this doesn't work on you, so... No, okay, nice. So you drag into this little window. This is like your media stuff. So you drag the video clips, and it's conforming audio, so it has to do that. Videoing, let's go!
Okay, I think this is the point from which we want to, like, record stuff. So what I do is I decide on a volume, and, like, I don't change it, so the video has consistent volume. So let's say, is 10 good?
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know.
It's a little quiet. 20? Is that loud?
The tutorial, this is really big. We need this.
14?
This doesn't work on you, so... No, okay, nice. So
I think 14 is it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take OBS, which I guess I can't show you. I didn't really think about that. Okay, we'll see if this works. Wait, if I start recording, will it... What happens? Because I have 2 monitors now. I don't usually have that. What'll happen? Is there a mouse on? Oh, that's on my screen. Never mind. Okay, wait. So if I do this... Wait, I can still talk because this doesn't have a mic capture, right? Okay, let's see. Let's try it.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this will really be. We need...
Wait, this actually might be better, honestly.
This doesn't work on you, so... No, okay, nice. So you drag it into this little window. This is like your media stuff. So you drag the video clips, and it's conforming audio, so it has to do that. Video editing, let's go! Video editing stream, let's go. Finally. 40 minutes in, we're actually starting to know what the stream is for.
Same here, past Neko. Same here.
Audio before I drag it in here? I don't know if I actually have to, but...
Like that. Oh, there we go. Nice. Figured it out.
Or this thing here. Oh, wait, is that why it's... Oh, I figured it out.
Wait, what'd you figure out?
How about that?
I think that's all we want for the clip, so...
in the video that we will,
I'll stop it there. And then what we want to do... Oh gosh, this is such chaos already. As we go to our video... Okay, let's see if it worked.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial
okay.
This will really be. I mean, audio, so it has to do that. Hopefully tutorial this is really a bit.
Huh.
This doesn't work on these, so you drag it into this little window.
Oh,
That's
yeah, yeah.
your media stuff.
Because that's the part I want where it's like, you drag it into this window. That's your media tab. It's where you put your media. Next, you're going to drag it into the, you know, timeline or whatever. I don't know. That's my plan anyway. Okay, cool. At least it works. That's kind of sick, actually.
For this. I didn't expect to put this on screen. This is why I didn't, but...
What was it, 14?
Yeah,
Oh, gosh.
Put this underneath Neko.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Wait, so wait, is that the top? Wait, is there like a top bar that's being made? Is clipping on them?
Yeah, and we'll just do like clip like the
Anyway, yeah, that's in
tutorial
there.
parts of it.
You may want to check. Oh, wait. Yeah, what size did it download at? Wait.
It downloaded at
Oh,
1280p.
no,
That
no,
was
no,
such
no,
a
downloaded in 1280 by 720. That sucks.
dumb
Oh,
thing.
well,
I don't know why I
time.
did that.
Okay, so top bar we can see the time here. So we're just gonna go in here, and then so 3 minutes in. Wait, 30.
Okay, yeah, we want that part. Sorry, it's gonna be boring from now on. Start recording. Okay. All right, we're doing
I
it.
thought it downloaded 1920 by 1080. It downloaded in 1280 by 720. That sucks.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
well,
okay.
Low res Neko time equals okay.
Because
So top bar we can see the time here.
it's not even that low res. Like,
So we're
it's
just
fine.
gonna go in here, and then so 3 minutes in. Wait, 30 seconds. Is that what this is?
bypass Neko. I just read that in the chat.
Not 1080p. It didn't even give me an option. Oh, I didn't zoom in enough. Let's see. That's 5 minutes. Okay.
I'm covering the chat. Oh well.
So 3 minutes ish.
And I think I'm gonna say in a second, like, oh, press C to use the cut tool. It's how you cut things.
Oh.
It's the cuttiest. You know what I mean? Okay, 30 minutes. We're at a good pace.
Okay.
We're at a good pace.
Yeah,
I
so
think.
I'll go to this. I use the bottom thing here, the like wave form.
Yeah, the
This
audio.
is the thing I learned. In projects. No. In options. Wait, can you even see options?
No.
No.
No,
Anyway,
pass
there's an
Neko. You
option
should
in
plan this out
options
better.
For the, like,
Pass Neko, what the heck?
sounds. Instead of the here, where is it? What the heck? Sorry,
I think it's in general.
interface.
General?
Anyway,
It's in
Yeah,
general.
okay,
Pass
yeah.
Neko.
in general,
Yeah,
it's,
told
audio
ya.
waveforms by default. It's RMS amplitude. If you change it to channel composite, you can like actually see the the audio here. So that helps a lot. Definitely
Yeah, that
do
was such a meta tip.
And
That was so
so I go
good.
by that. So I'll like and then C to cut tool.
Mm-hmm.
No, the slime goop strikes again.
Ah, the slime goop. Gotta hate it.
Okay, that's it. And so we go to here.
Why is there
and
always
then
slime
clip.
goop?
So we press C for the clip tool or the cut tool, and then we go whoop.
Need like a
And I usually put my cursor
Anti-slime
on a cut because it like
spray or
snaps, so
something, I
instead
don't
of having to like aim, which I'm not very good at, as shown by my FPS gameplay.
Oh damn, roasting past Neko Mia like that.
So
Not cool.
this and drag it to the beginning.
Wow.
And usually I'll try to like keep this in like the working
Nope,
area so I don't
can't
zoom
do it.
super duper
Past
much.
Neko, don't do it. Because you have the
That one,
timestamps.
740. I just realized that the time's gonna be messed up now, so I can't move it. Right? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, crazy how that works, huh? Past
wait,
Neko.
do this.
Didn't think about that one, did ya?
Control Y to redo. Yeah. 740.
Okay, I think that's all we want for
There
that
we go, okay.
clip.
We'll have to keep it at. Never mind. Ignore my toe. This is 5 minutes. 740 here. We're still making the time, not the delta. Somewhere around here. Let's see what it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's pretty good.
I guess we'll just do a like in this stream we'll just do like a edit like a tutorial-ish thing from the past one instead of like all the moments. And maybe next one we can gather like funny moments or whatever, or highlights and stuff, do like a more reaction-y thing.
I usually gotta do that in this one. Actually, we'll do that for this one, if I can. Usually I do like just a CC.
You liar, past Neko.
Yeah, sometimes
You
it's just
didn't
more-
even do the
This one we will actually.
you didn't even do the cool text thing.
Yeah, usually I just do the CC in English and JP, but
I think I did the
It's possible
CC.
that I regret it if I take it, and it's possibility that I'll regret it if I don't take it.
Yeah, I think I did.
Yeah, so cut. Who was here?
Yeah.
This situation could happen. This is how you use the verb. This situation could happen. There you go. Remember that guy? Oh, I didn't delete that. Nice.
Yeah, doing a bunch of editing here.
And I understand. Oh, 60
I'm looking for the moments where past Neko is like
Oh, yeah, that's probably good to have all that.
like, oh, like I try to do like clip it down in this way and like, you know, like doing the explaining.
Put that part out. Oh, it's hard to decide where you should actually cut stuff. It's so good. Almost block this way. There we go. Take that piece. Oh, I don't know what I just did. I've never done that before. Double clicking like this thing. Dragging them all back in my hand. That one. Come on. Nope, nope. There we go. We're saying nope that. Scarier than I thought. Nope, 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 nope.
Nope.
Me hitting my mic stand to hear that little dink.
I always do that. I love it just because I move it. Here, I'm gonna try to move it. You ready?
And it, like you play the card and then it has like animation.
Make
and
any
then it goes
noise?
regular.
Or is it just when I hit the
It
desk?
doesn't just like deal damage immediately like a strike does.
Or like this little whatever clamp thing here that's holding the mic up. Don't know. It shall forever remain a mystery.
Next time I pick Runic Dome, but it won't happen, so it's not gonna happen. Right? Oh, there we go. That's it. Oh, that could actually be good. Yeah, just looking at the waveforms here, like go to like the start of like an audio is a good way to.
Oh, here, yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. That's the good stuff. Give me it in not a Yabby way. Don't take that out of. Oh gosh, wait. This is so okay. There we go. Like that.
Oh, that way.
This is actually kind of easier than my existing method with only one screen. Two screens makes it way easier.
Like the start of like a audio is a good way to see where you're supposed to be at. Sucks. I don't like Runic. I'm never.
Yeah, it's true. Runic Dome sucks. Pass Nekomia. So true. So relatable.
And you have to zoom in a little bit sometimes. Can help.
It's gonna be like the most terrible tutorial ever.
It's not gonna happen, alright? I love that logic. It won't happen, so it's not gonna happen. I don't know how to use that card. There's like two
I mean,
I can use it on. I'll die.
I mean, true. True. What else? It's like that thing, like, it is what it is. Like, you know, people are like, yeah, of course it is. Like, what the heck? People get all angry about it. This was such a pain, literally. I found out a trick about, like, how to do this better later, but it was such a pain doing it this way.
My old clips, you know. Right, 12:30. Wow, we actually got quite a few clips. That's pretty good.
Yeah, we did have quite a few clips. Like a normal amount, or maybe like slightly more than normal. That was pretty sick.
What are you saying? That's Neko? Oh my gosh. Plus 30, 30, 44? Really? Oh, that'd be more. I don't know what we clipped here.
Huh.
Was this two Rebels and Bargains? Is that all? 16? 17? 16? Is that 12:30? Huh? 24? That's it.
Hmm.
Nice. It would have gone without the week. We have to use our potions. Was it just the Wabaha? Was that hit? Okay, we're gonna skip that one.
Baba. Or Bob.
Oh, this reading this thing probably, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The plaque that has been torn free from a wall is on the. I feel like I've gotten better at reading this from Slay the Spire.
That is not true. Reading is still so bad.
I want to read it so epically.
What do you mean? It's cool. What the heck, Pass Nekomia? Pass Nekomia is on something. I think it's cool. Like all the reading, like, you know, the library. You know.
Record all the clips in OBS like from YouTube, so then I have all of them available.
Yeah, I know. Stop complaining, Pass Nekomia. I'm doing it this time, all right? Chill.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, if they explained it to kids that way, like, you know, you're gonna go to the library. The kids would be like, wow, the library? Oh my gosh, wow. And then they get there and they realize it's just a bunch of books. They're like, oh, you tricked us, you know?
I should make some music in the background like really quietly. I should like need something like that.
I was never allowed to go to the library as a kid. It was like in such a dangerous part of town.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's the video editing process.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm getting more into reading nowadays, but
Hopefully it doesn't delete anything. Let's see. Okay, it does work. We'll try to keep doing that then. 16. I feel like we got so many clips early and then like stopped getting them. Can I zoom, please?
yeah, that happens. There'll be just like long stretches of like nothing, and then you'll get like 10 clips in like a 2-minute period. It's crazy. Maybe not 2 minutes, but like, you know, a bunch of clips in like a small like duration. It'll like totally happen like that.
D4. I think it's for this. Killing Fast is probably more worth it. I think. I ponder. I propose. Is that really any good?
Come on, Fast Neko. It's funny.
Take too much time, like of the video, but it's still a little like gag or meme or something.
Yeah. Come on. Take it easy on Past Neko.
Ponder.
Come on.
First one is. Yeah, for these sometimes. Or maybe it was a good play. Yeah, for these kind of things, sometimes you need to leave a little like airtime in like the beginning.
Oh.
You know,
yeah. More advice. This is gonna be like completely unusable by the end of this, by the way. 14 volume.
Oh, forgot the first one.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll have enough to make an actual tutorial. Maybe I'll just do a voiceover like, you put your clips here, drag them into here, press the C button, drag them together, export the video.
Sometimes you need to.
That's basically all you need. Just clip that.
little, like,
Hey, future Nekomia. No.
in, like the beginning and end, just so it doesn't sound you're like.
No future
you know,
Nekomia.
so
No,
sounding
no
like,
more of this. No, please.
It'll sound like.
We need to end it here. We need to stop.
So
We need to
sound
cut
like
the
that,
chain. We need to.
The jump cut. Let's see how this turns out.
We need to stop the. We need to like stop the thing out here. It's already too many to manage.
That is not right.
I mean, I guess I'm pretty much only reacting to like past Nekomia of one layer, so like even a future stream would only be reacting to like me, right?
Sing that song, that'd be so sick.
Like not like the past Nekomia that I'm currently watching or his past Nekomia that he's currently watching. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. Well, I'm confusing myself here. Did we get the? We're good.
Oh, we need to clip here too, don't we?
Yeah. Okay.
Hold on.
And the thing about the airtime too is I just straight up like ignored my advice immediately after, and like, or not immediately, but like at the end I'm like, oh, there's too much airtime, we gotta cut it out. I like literally just ignored my own advice later. Oh, we're not even halfway through. Oh my gosh. I think there's a lot of talking later that we can just skip over. If we do a future stream of this, which we won't, future Nekomi, if you're watching this, I'm disappointed in you. You were supposed to you were supposed to save the what's the quote? You were supposed to destroy the dark side, not join. You were supposed to break the train, not add on to it. I mean, I guess I'm doing the same thing, so we're all kind of guilty in this. But anyway.
Oh, 1820. Oh, I was gonna say, like, nothing's happening.
Yeah, this is such a bad method of doing it, like writing down the times.
Oh, we can. The boys will quiet.
Like that's why I like the in YouTube, is because you can easily, like with the shift right and left arrows, like change the speed from 1 to 2 times and back. So you can easily, and then use OBS to just like record the clips.
That's so funny to me.
Wait, what's funny? Pass Nekomi, you better explain yourself.
I'm such a child. I don't know why that's so funny to me.
What is?
Okay. Oh, we can. The boys will quiet.
Oh, the freaking enemy noises, of course. Okay.
Oh my gosh,
I mean, they're pretty funny. Come on, let's be real. Let's be real. Come on, they're funny.
19, 20.
It's probably just the developer going, you know, like, you know, you like set up a microphone and like a bunch of Legos around his room, and then put on a blindfold and just walked, and that's how you got all the enemy noises. You know, he just takes one step. Like, man, that hurt. Takes another step. You know. By the time you know, one small step for a developer, all your game audio like sound effects completed.
There's quite a few more. Okay,
isn't that so cool? Yeah, that's what I'll do for maybe that's maybe that's what I'll wait, what the heck?
Japanese speaking Nekomi over here.
English not happening here. Maybe that's what I'll do for my if I do game dev stream. I'll like make sounds live on stream and do funny things like, you know, like slurping water and like, you know, hitting the desk and stuff. Yeah.
I remember there's always a big thing about like presentation classes and like, don't say I've completely given up on that or not gained that lesson.
Yeah, true. I still say a bunch. Yeah, screw those classes. They're so mean. Konakiriko san, hello, nya. OMG, it's Nekomiya. OMG, it's Konakiriko san. Hello. Yeah, thanks for coming. We're doing a video editing stream where we are editing our previous video editing stream, where we are editing our previous Slay the Spire stream. So I don't know what my actual goal was. This is kind of turning into more of like a reaction. I don't know if there will be any actual usable clips from this. I mean, I'll try to make like, I mean, the goal was to make like a tutorial, right? Of like a video editing tutorial, because in the last one, I'm like, in this one we're watching right now, the one meta layer of video editing stream, the first video editing stream, right? We're just editing a regular stream. You know, past Neko is all going like, oh yeah, like you press the C button and it like uses the clip tool, and like this is your media library, like you put your stuff in here and then drag it in here, like. So like my hope was like to make a video like tutorial out of those clips, but it turns out that they're not really. Like, I think I only got like a few clips. Like, I don't even know. It would just be like a video, a short. Oh, wait, maybe we'll just make a short. Oh, never mind. Wait, that's a really good idea. Okay, if it's like within the time limit, I'll just make a short instead of a full video, because it'd be like less than a minute probably anyway. We'll just see how the duration looks when it gets into the editor.
I want to do that. Like the actually edited video for like that would be something I do that for. Or like for the Minecraft, if I ever finish Through the Ages playthrough, like I would do a big edited video for that. Like on 1.0, or replace music while I'm talking. Yeah, like on 1.0.
The music, thank you.
Next stream it was 1.15, and then, or what was it? 1.1, and then we made a cow farm, and the sheep went in the cow farm. Wasn't that funny, guys? You know, like that.
That was pretty
Also,
funny.
here's the other reason I didn't even mention it later, but like having the clip compilations, it lets me use them for later. So like if I do have a big edited video, I don't have to scrub through like entire live streams. I'll have little clip pieces that I can get the highlights of that I've already like done the work for. And so, you know, big video, instead of scrubbing through however many versions there are, like 20 versions of Minecraft, 20 streams, I just scrub through, you know, that'd be like what, 20 hours or 40 hours, like a huge amount of time.
I love it. It's so funny. Oh my gosh, it's so chaos. Especially watching it earlier, where we're like all like I'm like standing on top of the other Nekos and like we're like head patting and like slapping each other. It's so crazy. It's literally crazy.
Not very good, honestly. And many people are gonna see them one way or the other. Like for a bigger video, like I'll share them around more. Like I'll do a bigger effort. I guess I could focus more on editing one of these kind of videos really well. Not like all of them, just time-wise, but like, you know, I could do like every so often, like when it's like, oh yeah, this is a really good stream, I should actually put some good editing in there. It's kind of what I want. The $25 per minute quality of editing kind of video.
Yeah,
I
that's
can totally see that.
yeah, that's probably a smart move. I'm still not sure how to do. Past Neko here is talking about the distribution of like, you know, how much to edit a video, because most of mine are just like highlight clip compilations right now, which take, as you can see, not super long. You know, one live stream, you know, a couple hours, you can get them done. Shorts are the best. Yeah, the shorts are like such meta. Like those are so good. Yeah, I'm still learning how to like, I don't know, like edit them and stuff, but yeah, I think the shorts are quickly becoming my favorite like type of content. Because even like on Twitch, right? Like I'll be doing like a HoloCure stream, like I don't know, it's kind of boring. Like HoloCure streams, like if you make a highlights video, it's just me talking about like random stuff. It's just like a Zatsudan pretty much, you know, like a random like talking stream. Oh wait, hey, past Neko talking about shorts. Oh, the shorts. Oh, Slay the Spire.
I'll make sure to put that in the title.
Yeah, past Neko is a liar because that's not happening anymore. Yeah, but for like Twitch, like if I'm doing a HoloCure stream, I can find like 1 or 2 funny moments. It's not enough for a full like, you know, 1 or 2 minute clip compilation. I gotta sneeze. Oh no. Yeah, but you can make like a couple shorts out of, or like 1 or 2 at least, you know, from a HoloCure stream of like, you know, me talking about something funny or like, you know, some funny moment of like, oh my gosh, like a big enemy, or, you know, that kind of thing. And like just the format of it being like a vertical, like what do you call that? Like it's a vertical instead of a horizontal video, so like it feels like cutting off the peripheral vision, like the context makes it somehow funnier, you know? Like if you're looking at the whole stream and like, you know, Neko's like, oh yeah, like, wow, man, those enemies are crazy. Like it's like whatever. But then it's the short and it's like, you know, zooming in, it's like, here, wait. You know, in the short, it goes like, you know, like whatever. It's like just watching the video and then like, oh my gosh, those enemies are crazy. Ah! And then you go back and then it's like watching looking at the crazy enemies. You know what I mean? Like it, like it feels like a more like reducing the context somehow makes it funnier to me. Did Neko just get like super loud just now for no reason? Or past Neko rather?
Oh, okay, yeah, that's kind of funny. It was totally intentional, yeah.
Oh yeah, that clip. Yeah, that one was pretty good. Yeah.
That's so good.
That is past Neko. I agree with you.
Just the wording too makes it so much funnier somehow.
Yeah.
Oh, what? That's so much easier.
We gotta record that. That was great. If you didn't know, we are actually gathering clips to video edit right now. What was my volume at? 14? Oh, it's really louder. It's gonna be so quiet in the editor. We'll boost the volume if you remember. There we go.
Just the wording too makes it so much funnier somehow.
Yeah, this trick is so sick.
Oh wait. Oh, look at this. I could have done this the whole time. What? That's so much easier.
Right?
Okay, now we know.
Like what was past Neko or
4910.
Past Neko thinking?
Off chance that it gives that card that we exactly. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Okay, I think that's all we want. We can do this now. Stop recording. Past versus present Neko, who will win? So your question is lacking. Not enough information, because which past Neko and which present Neko are you referring to? So the video we're watching right now is the video editing video, the video editing stream rather, who's watching a Slay the Spire stream. And so the video editing video I'm calling past Neko, and then the stream he's watching, the Slay the Spire stream, is past Neko. So it's past Neko, and just me right now, regular Neko, the real one.
Did not work. No.
Oh,
why didn't it work? No.
Oh, I broke it. Oh, that's the music from the Pokemon Ranger, the boat. I remember that one, I think. Anyway, yeah, so earlier in the stream you missed it, I think, but past Neko slapped past Neko in the face and then head patted him after. So I don't know who won that engagement. But current Neko, present Neko,
No.
tried to get a head pat from past Neko, but then he just stopped head patting as I was about to get a head pat. It's like, okay, so I think present Neko loses, if anybody. If any Neko. present Neko is currently the loser. Although, if somebody's reacting to this in the future, for example, future Neko, who will then be present Neko, then will he win? Because then I'll be past Neko. Well, then I have one? I don't know.
Haven't played that game in ages.
I mean, all of us are continuing this chain, so we're all at fault. Like we're all losers in a sense. we're all corrupted like Nekos, you know.
It was like a verbal typo.
What was that? The verbal typo?
It's doing the circles with my mouse, like trying my sensitivity really high.
Oh,
it was like a verbal typo.
there was one like we'll see, I think in a second, the sarcophagus. I can't pronounce the word sarcophagus. Oh my gosh, I swear I laugh at it for like a solid like 30 seconds. It's so funny.
Yes, boy, girl playing DS game until the part of the connecting part between two screens actually snapped off. Oh my gosh. Played the heck out of it. Mine never got that,
Dang.
used.
Yeah, I didn't rage that much with my when I was playing DS. Just kidding, that's a lie. Hello to future Neko who edits a video in the future. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have read that. Sorry, future Neko. You can feel free to slap me if you want here. I'm ready. I can take it. Eat that.
Oh, was that? Never mind, we don't want
Ow, what the heck, future Neko? That was so rude. Slapping past Neko like that.
Oh no, it did it. Oh, yeah, that seems like. Oh no, it did it. That was amazing.
Although if you didn't slap me, then thanks, I guess. Sorry.
Slice it and dice it.
OMG, what else?
It's famous out. Yeah.
I don't know if I'll actually do another one. My plan was to do Slay the Spire stream, first editing stream, this stream of editing the video editing stream, doing a reaction to this stream, and then doing a video editing stream of the reaction, which would then create a video, and then that would be the end of it. But I feel like this stream is more of a reaction than a video editing stream, so I may have to change the order a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see. I'll have to see what future Neko thinks. Also, I want to play games because it's kind of like the whole point of this thing is playing games. I don't want to become a video editing channel with my subpar editing. It could go on forever. No, no, somebody needs to stop it. Somebody needs to break the chain. Somebody needs to break. Somebody needs to stop it. Yeah, I just thought it'd be funny, like, you know. It's already so chaos, like it could get so much worse. Nyar, nyar. Australian Neko noises. But like, yeah, it literally like go on so long. Like when I originally thought of it, I thought of the screen getting like, oh, you can't see my mouse, but like, you know, the screen getting like super like small. And so original Neko is like, you know, like a really small, like a couple pixels, you know. And then there's like, you know, a bunch of Neko, like a parade like in the corner of like a bunch of Nekos like going like when you set OBS to record the screen and then open the OBS window, or like, you know, if you have two mirrors lined up next to each other, it'd be like that with like a bunch of Nekos like lining up the whole screen, and like, and then, you know, it'd be like, you know, slapping each other and like head patting each other and stuff.
Okay, cool. Now here's the fun part. Get rid of this. Let me unshow that.
Oh, recording time? Maybe. Let's see.
Not dox my notes or whatever. No, this is strikes again. Oh yeah, so now we're going back through it and like re-editing all the like in and out sections, so it feels more tightly edited rather than having like pauses between each clip. It just flows seamlessly between them.
Okay, yeah, we probably want to Why is this so laggy? Is that because OBS? Weird. There we go. Start recording. There we go.
Okay. Not dox my notes or whatever.
Oh yeah, good point. Oh wait, did we miss it?
We can get rid of this. Just to through it all.
Wait, what?
And then this is just gonna kill us.
Wait, what?
I think we just get rid of that. Okay, let me. Now here's the fun part.
Oh, okay, yeah. I want that now. Here's the fun part. Yeah.
I think we just get rid of that. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Become a picture of a picture of a picture of a picture of a. Yeah. That's exactly what it's gonna be. Because it's not. Because future Neko, yeah. It's gonna break the chain, right? You're gonna break the chain, right? Future Neko, yeah. We're gonna be trapped here forever, future Neko, yeah. You and me. You're the only one who can stop this.
Through it and like re-editing.
I believed in you.
Section, so it feels more
How could you do this? Continuing the chain like that.
Between each clip, it just flows seamlessly between.
Unbelievable.
Plan. Yeah, see that?
It's okay. I forgive you.
It's gonna be like this and like this.
Oh yeah, like making these clips shorter after I said not to.
Yeah, it's like strikes again. Something about.
Yeah, here's like more like actual tip stuff. I don't know how helpful it actually is.
Yeah, you see then it naturally flows. It's like strikes again, and then all blah, 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 blah. Like that's how it like flows much more quickly. We maybe zoomed in a little far. Can we? No, that doesn't work. We'll just have to select the rest of them and move them over, maybe.
Yeah, it's always such a pain doing this and then doing like the scroll bar thing.
It's just the worst.
There we go. Okay, cool.
There you go. Yeah, I did pretty bad with those.
What program do you use to edit? I'm using HitFilm Express. I think it's linked in the comments or the description rather. Oh my gosh, it's going so fast. Yeah, I just ended up, I started using it because somebody recommended it, and turns out there's better alternatives that I probably should have used, but this is just the one I'm used to, so I haven't switched over yet. I want to use like an open source one if I can at some point, like switch over. But I'm stuck at this one for now.
Yeah, I heard that. Wasn't that so funny? That's so cool.
I mean, I don't really do too much heavy video editing, so if I like end up actually learning to video edit like well and like other than like just cutting and like splicing together, like I'll use the actual program for stuff like that. I think I probably will do.
That matter? It really is like, you know, just tweaking it more so than the big picture is. It's the little tweaks that I think make it personal and really cool.
Yeah, true. I couldn't have said it better myself. Past Neko, yeah. Yeah, if you heard that, like, yeah, like the little tweaks and like edits are what make things cool rather than like, you know, like the main body of stuff. Like, you know, you could clip literally anything and like doing the right edits makes it seem special and really cool. Like, you know, your model could be like whatever, fine, for a PR, not PR, live 2D like metaphor, but like, you know, your model can be like, yeah, you know, it's a model, but then, you know, you have like when you blink your Neko Mimi all and like, you know, like whatever, if maybe if you do this and go like this way and this way, like your tail wobbles or something like that. Or my tail wobbles a little bit, like wobbles side to side, or like, you know, I don't know, or like when you blink your eyes go like boop, 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 like they do a little like whatever, like I don't know, stuff like that, like personal touches I think like go really far in my opinion. I use OpenShot, it's free and open source. I think maybe I thought about using that at some point. Here, let's see. I downloaded one. OpenShot video editor. Yeah, I was going to use it at some point. I just never got around to it. It's in my, like, you know when you press the Windows button, like the pinned like things. It's in there. I also tried using GIMP over Photoshop, but that did not go over very well. Did not go very well. I'm still using Photoshop.
YouTube, epic, let's go.
Which is fine, but I don't know. I like using open source stuff if I can. Now, at least. I don't know, a lot of the, here, hold on.
Yeah, so drags on.
Yeah, a lot of the software that I feel like I end up using is just from like, oh, like I used it in graphic design class in high school once, and so now I use it just because you have that little bit of extra like background in it. You end up like using it a lot more. I think we have so much more to go. Oh my gosh, we're 2 times, right? Okay, yeah. What do we spend all that time doing? Do we literally video edit for another like almost an hour when the video is almost already edited already? The heck, past Neko, yeah? Yeah, I feel like so much stuff I use just is because I've been using it for a while, not like because it's good or anything, like, you know, like anything, like for game design, like, you know, JavaScript I've been using since forever, and that's why I'm still using it now, you know? Actually, JavaScript's sick. I would, if I could start again, I would still learn it. It's actually such a powerful tool. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, it's the in and of the habit, it kind of like trails off his. I'm like lazy.
Yeah, I guess on that front I did pretty good. Like JavaScript and like Unity are pretty good stuff. Unreal is good, but like I don't know. I feel like even if I made an Unreal project, like people still don't care. They just want you to know C++ for like jobs and stuff at least. You know C++, right? Tell me what a template is. Like, okay. I don't know. I feel like they ask for like the most basic understanding of like of stuff like that, like what is it, like, you know, like jobs and stuff. They're like, yeah, like tell me this basic concept. It's never like, you know, like tell me how you made this cool data structure, like a cool thing for your project. Like what the heck, you coded that whole thing from scratch? Like how did that work? Like how did the graphics work? They're like, you know, like how do virtual functions work, virtual function table or whatever work, you know? like what is it? Virtual function pointer table or whatever it is.
My sense of humor is not evolved past 2012, I swear. Best parts are when my viewers roasted me.
Yeah, I don't know.
Some pretty funny ones.
It's just like a test of like perseverance, you know, of like how long you're willing to BS before they'll like say like, okay, we'll call you back if you're hired or not, you know. Like it's just a test of perseverance for them. They just want to see how far you can go, you know. I swear for my interview, like I don't know, I swear this actually happened. Hold on, is there anything good happening?
Trying to make it sound better, like I'm better at speaking. It's just like for her.
Yeah. Yeah, like for the math portion of it, I had no clue. Like I'm so bad at math. I failed like probably all my math classes like in college, like, or uni, right? Like I think I got D something in calculus. I got probably similar in linear algebra and what was the other one? I can't remember. There was another one. Anyway, I did really bad in all of them. Math is my worst enemy. Yeah, it's mine too. Math is just not. I don't know what it is. I just can't understand. And it's not like I don't try. Like I studied the heck out of it. But I don't know. Like it was never a deal of like, you know, here's the problem. Here's the formula you use for it. Now use this formula, apply it to the problem. Like in science, it kind of happened. You linear algebra, I know. Okay, well, linear algebra isn't that bad. Like, you know, the class was terrible because the teacher was like foreign for one, and so they like nobody could understand what they were saying or teaching, and nobody could understand what they were asking for the assignments. And like I don't know, it was bad. But like actual linear algebra, like for games, like that's like, you know, like lerp between 2 points, like that's epic. Like I'll lerp between 2 points every single day. Actually, wait, I don't know. I would have to think about it if I didn't have it. But like I just with addition and attraction, addition and subtraction. What was I struggling with last stream? I think it was like multiplying like 12 times something or another. Oh no, maybe that was somebody else's stream. I don't know. We'll have to keep watching and see if it is happening in here. Yeah, like linear algebra for like if you're making games like is kind of sick. Lamau, the professor situation is a mood. Gosh dang, oh my gosh, like I swear, me before taking any of the classes I took could have taught better than like maybe like 40 or 50% of the professors that I had. Like between like it just not describing, like it's communication, right? Even me as like a very uncommunicative Neko, I'm still I think I could communicate better than most people, like just because I understand what it's like to or at least I can put myself in the shoes of the students basically. So like I remember this when we had the C teacher where they would be like, all right, like you need to have a program that you know, accepts input from the user and then, you know, parses it or whatever. But they didn't say that. They said some like, you know, technical stuff that none of the students understood. And they're like, you know, all disappointed, like, wow, everybody got such a bad grade except for Neko. What the heck? It's like, no, like that's not a good thing. Like, like as at that point I had been practicing, you know, C++ for like what? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years? No, old Neko. Oh gosh. Yeah, like 3 or 4 years maybe. So like C is not that hard in comparison. Well, in comparison, but it's like it's not that hard. Like if you know the C++, like, you know, what's going on, like if you learned pointers, like C is not that hard basically. At least it wasn't for me. But like most of the students, they're like I think you take that class your first semester of your CS degree. Which I was a game design degree, so I was taking, or CS minor maybe was I was taking that, so I took it later, but yeah, like they would just like not explain it well, and the students would be like, what do we do? The professor wanted us to print out our code on literal paper made from literal trees and literally hand in the physical paper with the code printed out with a printer with ink on the paper and hand them in during the class instead of, you know, submitting it online. Actually, I think we did both. It really sucked when they mixed linear algebra with multivariable calculus and machine learning. I had to drop the class because I legit could not understand what was going on. Well, doing better than me, I can't even understand that title. Multivariable calculus? I can't even do regular calculus. Can't even matrix multiply without looking it up. In machine learning. Machine learning is freaking cool though. I've tried, I've never gotten, what's it? The backtracking machine learning? What do you call that?
where you like you use the like what's supposed to be the right answer to train the model. Not recursive, but you know what I mean. The oh gosh, this is gonna bother me till the end of time. But there's like there's a technical term for it. Anyway, yeah, that type of machine learning I could never get down. Like the most I got was like genetic machine learning. So like it would just try randomly over and over, and like each generation would improve just by randomness, by sheer luck. No, not the paper. Oh my gosh, stupid freaking paper. That was the only class I had to use paper for, was that class. I didn't have to use paper in English class, but I did in a coding class. Like what? Like we're using computers to get rid of this ancient technology. Like why are we still doing this? Lol, yeah, I saw literally like, or bruh, yeah. Yeah, genetic algorithms are pretty freaking cool though. Like, I remember for my what was it? Oh, what was that? It was in Python. AI maybe? AI for games? Oh, did I glitch out my eyes again? Oh, I did. Okay, we're gonna reset Neko. Hold on. Listen to past Neko for a second. Oh, you can see that too. I'll be right back. There we go. We haven't been watching the video at all. Oh, you can see this thing too. This is the loading screen. You're a legend, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Wait. We can't. Hold on. This may be bad. I don't want to dox my new model. Don't look at that. Wait, can you see this too? Oh, it's only when you load the model that it does that. Oh, okay. I'm back. Wow. Aaron Velasquez-san, hello, yeah. We're talking about coding while past Nekomi is doing video editing. Thanks for coming. We're almost done. I don't know. We may just end up making a short instead of a full video. Present Neko becomes reset present Neko. Yeah. Well, it's because when you like look away at like your eyes, you know, my eyes are sometimes like looking to the side weirdly. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why there isn't like a reset button, but like I always look to the side or something. I think it happened last stream also, or the stream we're watching right now also. Yeah. Nice. So we actually cut it down. It's like less than 3 minutes now. That's pretty good of a time. I mean, most of my other clips are like what, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, minute and a half minute. So yeah, I think the timing was good on that. Anyway, yeah, this is Zatsudan stream now. No more. We got all the clips we want. We'll edit after this stream we're watching is done. Video editing stream of video editing stream. Wait, video editing stream of video editing stream when? I told future Nekomi to cut the chains, so if we're lucky, we've already been saved. We'll see whether or not that happens. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so we were talking about like AI and stuff, and like linear algebra, how it's used in AI. What was it? Linear algebra with multivariable calculus and machine learning. I don't know that stuff, but I was talking about it was AI for games, I think. So it was stuff like, you know, pathfinding. Yeah, as complicated, the complex, the what do you call it? Famously complex pathfinding algorithms were what we studied. Like A-star and dextrous and stuff like that. I don't know. For game design majors, it was probably hard for other game design majors. Not me. Atama ii neko, kashikoi neko desu. But like, yeah, in that class, maybe for the final project, like it was something. What's happening? Past Neko, are you just watching the stream? Oh look, Past Neko's eyes are glitching out too. See, he's like looking up and left instead of like to the center where he should be. I think it'll reset in a second. We'll keep an eye out for that. Okay, so responding to comments. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, it was like applying machine learning is super easy and fun. Yeah, it's such like a cool tool. I want to see it in like more games. Oh hey, Past Neko is resetting. It's okay, Past Neko, I'll take it over from here. Yeah, I want to see machine learning in more games for like enemy like difficulty and stuff. Trying to build any machine learning tools from scratch is hard. Yeah, I mean, it's math is why, and math is hard. Also like the data structures, like my problem was like, okay, so you're gonna be multiplying, you know, element 1 by element, every element in the next list, right? And you're doing that for each element in the first list, so it's like a multiplicative of each element. So like when you do a multidimensional array, or do you even have a multidimensional array? Right, like if you have a 2D array, basically you can make matrix math is why you want to do that. Or do you have a list of arrays such that, you know, they're separate, like sort of snapshots, so array 1, array 2, but then you have less efficiency because of CPU caching, right? So like
you know, the first element, you're accessing the first element of the first list and then the first element of the second list. And so you have to go back and forth, and your what do you call that? Like your bytes, like when you like CPU will take a bigger piece of memory than it needs in hopes that you're just reading in a straight line. But like I think maybe that's caching. Maybe there's an actual term for that. Anyway, it like doesn't take advantage of that, so it like screws you. Anyway, yeah, setting up the data structures for like machine learning stuff was the hardest for me. But like, yeah, I had a pretty simple one, but like for the class, the final was making a AI for a RTS game, and hopefully nobody would find out. Nobody would find out, unless one of the stack and heap stuff.
I didn't do the glasses, they seem too hard to do the reading for. I want to do glasses at some point, but I need to
not quite.
Like my art and my reading way more for that.
Kinda. Hash. IDK's been a while. Yeah. I mean like, yes, stack is like stack and heap are different stuff where like data goes. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, we were making AIs for the like final or like throughout the class or something for the RTS game. So AIs, and then in the end we would have the AIs fight each other. And mine was super cool. It used like a genetic learning, not like during the fights, but like I trained it versus like the default AI and like the AIs from previous classes, such that it would say like, oh, okay, like I lost by this much, and the enemy used this strategy because they have this many archers and like this many like whatever's, and like, you know, and it would like modify its strategy. Anyway, that's how it worked. It didn't work at all, but that was the theory. Well, it did work. It wasn't a good strategy because it can't build good strategies of its own, if that makes sense. Like you know what I mean? Like if you're fighting an enemy with a certain strategy, it'll just like, you know, oh, my strategy wasn't good enough, I'll try to, you know, beat them next time. If it worked, the difficulty spike over time would be interesting. Yeah, well, it did sort of work like that, but it doesn't work in it needs to work in sort of a meta sense, right? Because actually, I'll keep it. It needs to work in like a meta sense, because like, you know, in chess, for example, if the player makes the same moves every time, you can make a really easy AI to beat them, right? But what if somebody uses a different strategy? It's like you're screwed essentially, and it's essentially the same thing, right? You need another layer of learning. It's like the difference between like adding and multiplication, or multiplication and squared, or squared and like, you know, cubed, or whatever the next deal is like that. It's like a whole nother layer or step that that you need, is you need to adapt to the strategy, not to the, you need to adapt your strategy to be better, not to adapt your strategy to beat your enemy's strategy, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I have to practice more.
I wanted to make like a simulation game for so long. I actually started on one and like got the AI stuff working, but I just never actually made the game. I don't know. I'm fine. Oh, past Nick was talking about the
I don't know if I'm confident enough yet, but
talking about singing streams and like voice training.
I do a karaoke stream this year.
This year? Scary.
Yeah, it's definitely on my radar. It's just like, Sam, yeah, I would be so excited to see that.
True.
I don't know what.
I think so too.
Like, for me, like I know what songs I listen to. Like I listen to weed music, but other people listen to different types of music than me. So like,
true.
Listening to karaoke by other people is super eye-opening and cool, because like I basically just get to hear songs that other people like, are into, that I would never probably normally listen to. And like they're like, you know, like songs that people like they enjoy, and like they're, you know, pouring their heart out into it, you know. And it's like, you know, songs like, like, I don't know, there's something super cool and precious about it. About
that is precious and cool.
I'll say in 2 to 3 new models, I'll
yeah, I don't know. I don't know about a singing stream. It's a little scary. I did re-download OS after watching a stream of it. What, last night or the other day or something? Yeah, it looked really cool. I'm like, man, because I never re-downloaded it, because I like it doesn't save your songs anywhere other than on your hard drive, and so I lost all my songs. I was like, no, or my beat back, like, you know, though I didn't remember what they were. But anyway, I re-downloaded it, so I'm gonna go through, and I already got a couple songs. I'm gonna keep going through, and then maybe we'll have a Osu, like unarchived Twitch or something like that stream. And I'm adding a bunch of the ones where like I've what is it? Like a lot of the ones from like my music or like singing playlists. So like, I don't know. I may like, it may be like try not to sing. I may just like end up try not to sing or dance, you know, like while doing the Osu stream. Gosh dang hard, man. Singing while playing Osu and like clicking the circles, like. I don't know. Like I think if you practiced that way, you could do it. But since when you practice, you're just clicking, you're not doing both at the same time. It's like, you know, it's like a different. It's just like you're not trained for it. It's why you don't do well. I think. Make me a best singer. Thank you. You haven't heard my singing, so whatever grain of salt. But I appreciate the sentiment. yeah,
that would be
we may have a singing stream at some point, but I think O stream is much more likely. There's a bunch of stuff I want to stream. I want to stream,
there we go. Oof, I need a girl to collab.
what is it? What else?
No,
Oh, I'm looking at Archvale. I'm looking at Subnautica. I was wondering if I'd get like a heartbeat monitor. I don't know if I really care. That might be fun. Yeah, what else? I think those are the main two. I still want to play Roguelands if I can get like a crew. I think you can play. Oh gosh, cringe past Nekomia. Oh, falsetto. Yeah, true. Yeah, going to high voice, trying to do high voice without going falsetto is actually hard for me for some reason still. Anyway, yeah, Roguelands would be super cool if I get like a crew. I think you can get like 4 or 5 people maybe. You can get like a ton of people in like a sort of whatever. You can connect like with a bunch of different people, so that would be pretty fun. Like not like a bunch, but like, you know, a good number for at least like a smaller group. Because like stuff like Realm would be fun, but I want like a huge group for it. To like, you know, just like stomp like Godlands and stuff like that. Same if I did like Planetside. Like I'd want to be able to like fill a squad, or maybe even a platoon with Neko Mimi gang. Before doing it. But Roguelands would be doable with a smaller crew. Anyway, for now, yeah, I think Archvale and Subnautica are ones I want to do somewhat soon. I'm trying to think what else.
If you're like singing and you're confident about it and you're actually like, you know, like even if you're not very good, I think people understand the energy and like, you know, you can put in little microphone emojis if you ask. You know what I mean? Like it's just seeing people do things that they enjoy, I think is one of the greatest things. Just ever. Like
yeah, true.
Like anything, you know, like in sports.
We're just reacting in Zatsudan at this point, I guess. Not much video editing.
Like the coolest thing for me. That's why I try to play stuff like, you know, obviously I try to play stuff that'll be enjoyable for other people to watch. But like if I'm not enjoying it, I'm not gonna play it. Because like, you know, it's if I'm gonna like force myself through something, it's like it's no fun for anybody. And I think viewers pick up on that. You know, it's like wow, they're like, you know, I don't know if I'm like, you know, jumping like, oh, I'm suffering, like it's a pain. It's you know, I don't like it, like, you know, stuff where you're just like meh, I'm like bored. I mean, each character has been ingrained in my blood since I was little, so all my singing shame has died long ago. So, look forward to your stream.
Yeah, it is not for me. I still need to. Well,
like I basically wasn't able to practice until like I got my own place.
Yeah. Past Neko is probably gonna say the same thing. You have to like, I have to like close the windows and curtains and like the doors and make sure nobody hears me. Like sing real quiet, like. You know, make sure not to make too much noise. And have the neighbors knowing I'm a weeb singing. They probably like hella know. I mean, I guess I don't know. I don't think I've done anything to make him know, other than staying in my room all day. You know, not going outside. Me too, NG. It's scary, scary. Like, I don't know. It's not that I'm not confident. It's just like I kind of just don't want other people to hear it in real life, because then they always like talk about it. I don't know. People knowing you do stuff in real life is such a pain. Like, you know, they learn you're doing something, like, you know, like my family, like when they learned I was doing Japanese, they're like, oh yeah, well, say something in Japanese. It's like, I don't want to, you jerks. You can't do this IRL, bro. Yeah, but it's like people knowing you do stuff, it just like becomes streams it live. Well, yeah, everybody knows the internet isn't real. The internet isn't real. Like, you know, it's not. Did I reset again? Dang, what the heck's going on with you, past Neko? Gotta hang yourself. Oh, do I need to move? Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm in your way. I'll move. Oh, we're almost. Oh, we're exporting. Good job. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'll get out of your way. People tell me to speak Japanese constantly. It's freaking like I don't know. I'm so tempted. Like, you know, like is what I want to say. You know, just like be super rude to them. Like, oh, what does it mean? Oh, you know, nice weather today. Nice to meet you. You know.
Yeah, and so we can export now.
Like, I don't know. People are just, I don't like. I know they have they're well intentioned, but it just comes off as like a little like, you know. I don't know. It's a little like annoying. Wait, are we ending the stream? What the heck? Wait, seriously? Lawless, you're like grass and girls. None of these things exist. No, the internet isn't real. Those things are real.
So it's a vertical format.
Not for me, because there's snow all over all the grass and there's no people outside ever because it's winter. I don't know why I'm complaining. It's actually kind of nice. Oh, hey, or like translate this. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. It's like, honestly, because it's like, it's not like for me, like I try to study like monolingually, so like it's not a lot. Like oftentimes I'll have a word for my flashcards, so they're like, you know, they're like, tell me this word. It's like, I gotcha, like, you know, Hitai Tekini, oh yeah, physically / realistically / whatever, you know, like I'll have like my flashcard definition up, but for a lot of words I do monolingual definitions, so it's like I don't really keep the concepts together in my mind, like, I don't know, like a lot of the times when I'm speaking Japanese, like I have to really like, you know, like to put it into English would be like an extra effort. It's not like I'm thinking of the English and then translating it. It's like you sort of think of the Japanese, right? I'm sure other languages are the same. I never got that far in Spanish or German, but Japanese certainly, I think so. None of these things exist a lot. Yeah, true. Neko. Only Neko is real. That's why we're doing these streams, is that we'll have an infinite Neko continuum. Like 30 streams in, and it'll be like a chain of Nekos across the stream, the screen. It'll be the infinite Neko continuum. Yeah. Oh, this one. Wait, this one was so good. What'd I click? Oh. Hopefully I didn't click the, wait, am I still, okay, hopefully we're good. We're done with this. Wait, so if I do that, oh gosh, this is so scary. Everyone will become Neko. Yes, wait, what? Did I just disappear? Wait, what just happened? Wait, was I not on screen this whole time? Wait. Was I not on screen this whole time? Was I in the wrong OBS? Hey, future Neko, if you're watching this, which you better not be, because I freaking told you to stop the chain. Stop the chain. Future Neko. What the hell? I shouldn't even stream this. Anyway, if you're watching this, future Neko, heck, tell me, or I guess just confirm for yourself that was I off screen this entire time and in the wrong OBS? I mean, it's definitely fixed now. I think it was fine. Anyway. Everyone will become Neko. My name is Neko Nakiniko. That's such a good name, honestly. That's so hilarious. Good, what is it, alliteration or something with all the same letters. I've selected my new identity as Neko Circa. That's so good. Oh my gosh. We're gonna watch the sarcophagus thing, right? Yeah, this is how I amass my Neko army. This guy moves way to the side on. I mean, I guess it kind of technically does, but I just want to see the full clip. Oh, this needs to be moving this way. I gotcha. Okay, like that. That's so good. Okay, I don't know why I'm watching this like Retohin like Haishin, like not so good. Oh, wait, oh no. One of us. Wait. I didn't delete it, right? This one? Hold on. I don't know why I'm watching the live stream. I could just straight up, I have the video still, or I did, but I deleted it. But here, oh, we have to do it through hit film, huh? Is there anything else here? Circular room. You got circular room. And like if there's a cut in the video, then like you may do it. Just a little change. Just to, a little tutorial here. Yeah, we've out tutorialed our Neko for sure here. Sarcophagus. I had such a trouble time. Past Neko me, I did. Looks good, and then I think that's all you can really do at the end of the day. Half an hour, you know, black fog seeping out from the circular room. You make out the see if it don't. Oh, here you go. Oh, it's over the other one. I think we're done with the other stream, right? Should we just watch to the end? Let's see. 4 more minutes. We can watch till the end. Fog seeping out from the sides. Well, actually, let's watch the thing first. Yeah. I think that I edited this thing all the way. It's too short to be a short. Ironically, I think a short has to be 15 seconds. It's only 13 seconds. That's a new feature. I didn't know you could do that. You see that? Oh, you can't see my mouse, but when you do it over... When you do it over this thing, the mouse, hey, come on, the mouse over this thing, it like scrolls the thing without having to put your mouse over it. Anyway, let's watch this. Hopefully the sound comes through. Venturing through a series of tombs, you are faced with a large sarcophagus studded with gems in the center of the circular room. You cannot make out the writing of the coffin, however, you notice black fog seeping out from the sides. Yeah, really, all we care about is like here to here. It's like only the first part. Venturing through a series of tombs, you are faced with a large sarcophagus. The zoom! Oh my gosh. Venturing through a series of tombs, you are faced with a large sarcophagus. The zoom! I can't. Okay, we'll finish the video. We'll finish the video. Only a little more.
This is a weird way of doing it, but yeah. Venturing through a series of tombs, you are
It's almost over.
Instead of doing this, it could be a little more. They're zooming like way on this part. Maybe not that much. That's a little much. I like that much. Like quite a bit, you know. Yeah, it needs to be up to
Laugh song. What? Oh gosh. Wait, what did I click? Oh no. Laugh song. Oh, is that a Yave thing? Is this a D's nuts setup? Oh no. Sarcophagus. Oh, it's the accent. Wait, why did I say it with accent? None of the other words were an accent. What the heck? Past Neko? Or past Neko? Laughing out loud. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. That's a good short. 13 seconds. It is short. Wait, actually, it can't be a short because it's I think it's supposed to be 15 seconds at minimum. I'll look at that. Anyway,
Yeah, nice one, past Neko. The heck?
Perhaps too short to be considered a short by YouTube. Anyway. There's new music. I'll use this on this.
Wait, that's too funny though. Like, what's with the diction there? Perhaps too short to be a short. I do dare decry in my.
Short. Perhaps too short to be. I think it's supposed to be 15 seconds at minimum. I'll look at that. Anyway, that's the process. If you do want to make it short, this is a very short. Perhaps too short to be considered a short by YouTube. Anyway,
At a 2-second ending screen. Wait, actually smart. Wait, I gotta write that down. There we go. I'll actually do that. Well, maybe. I'll think about doing it. Why is it so funny though?
Look at that. Anyway, that's the process. That's fine. That's a good short. 13 seconds. It is short. Wait, actually, it can't be a short because it's I think it's supposed to be 15 seconds at minimum. I'll look at that. Anyway, that's the process. If
Wait.
you do not make out the writing of the coffin over writing of the coffin over black fog.
You can watch it forever, true.
Yeah, that's fine. That's a good short. 13 seconds. It is short. Wait, actually, it can't be a short because it's I think it's supposed to be 15 seconds at minimum. I'll look at that.
Wait, where'd they say it? Wait, what? Where's the perhaps too short?
Oh, it looks weird. A circular room. You do not make out the writing of the coffin over writing of the coffin over black fog sweeping out from the side.
I guess I was gonna do short tutorial also.
13 seconds. It is short. Wait, actually, it can't be a short because it's I think it's supposed to be 15 seconds at minimum. I'll look at that. Anyway, that's the process. If you do want to make it
Wait,
short.
what?
This is a very short. Perhaps too short to be considered a short by YouTube. Anyway, I'll check it out later.
Perhaps too short.
This on the stream yet, so there we go. Anyway, I think that's all for today. Video editing stream. Yatta! Next stream. I don't know when next stream will be, but next stream
today.
Is going to be another video editing stream where we edit this stream. Yatta! Yeah, it was looking so good. Yeah, so next stream will be, of this series at least, will be, how will this work? It'll be another video.
Yeah, oh true.
Such that we can make a tutorial,
Good idea.
A video editing tutorial. That's what we'll make in that stream.
That's what we're doing,
and we'll go from there.
maybe.
It'll be, after that will be a
We'll
reaction,
see.
edit of the reaction. And then you can like take over from there. Then you react to the stream. Yeah, you know what's up. This is gonna be so cool. Okay, anyway, that's my plan. Thanks for hanging on.
Yeah, chat knows what's
that's
up.
all I'll see you later. We'll hop off with a banya. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for coming, banya.
All right.
Johnny, banya.
Banya.
And our reaction will be edited in the next live stream. Yeah, exactly. That's the plan. You got it. Anyway, banya.
Oh. Okay. I haven't heard this music in a while. This is a bop. All right, thanks, Past Neko Mia. I'll take over from here. Look at that face. Let's see if I can do that. Whoa. Oh. Why can't I do that face? Did I change my my rigging? Can I not do that face anymore? Wait, where am I? How's the zoom on Past Neko? This is Mukashi no Past Neko. He's stand on head, he's so small, so small. Let's see. Oh, why can't I do that mouth? What do I do differently? Oh, I don't know. I'm making noise. Oh, huh? Huh. I must have made this like early in the rigging process, and I like changed my rigging after this because it does look kind of weird. I don't have any teeth. Ha ha ha! Neko. You know, no teeth, Neko. It kind of looks cute though. I like that mouth. Wait, can y'all see my mouse? Yeah, I like that like mouth. Save on dental fees. I'm a cat. I don't need a dentist. Okay. Do that. Wait, what? Oh, we have to open a thing. Should we actually get the perhaps moment? We can deal with that stream later. We'll do the actual editing for now. Let's see how many clips we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That may not be enough. Sorry for this. So funny. I don't know what. Oh, wait. We can have our. Oh no, wait, it's already open. I'm done. Is that too loud? Sorry. Blasting everybody's Neko Mimi. Oh no, it's doxing my name. Ah. Let's see how long it is. We can change the resolution and turn it into a short if we need. Come on, there we go. Oh wait, I just realized we're just gonna watch this over. Oh my gosh, so many Nekos. Wait, the thumbnail is real. Wait, was it too loud? Oh, sorry, frick. Sorry. I didn't even realize. Because I think the volume scales more on OBS. Sorry. I should have a... Wait, do I not have a filter? Nope. Alright, I'll do that later. Hey, future Neko. No, I was joking. Oh, okay. But I should have a filter. So future Neko, get on that. Put a filter on your like desktop audio thing, please. Right.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this is really bait. We need that. If this doesn't work, so no. Okay, nice.
Does
so
work.
Drag it into this little.
I don't know why it does this. It always pauses playback whenever you click out of the window or click anything or like do a mouse movement or anything. So lame. He has audio filters for the win. Yeah. My mic's all like kitted out, but my desktop isn't at all.
This is like your media stuff. So where you drag the video clips.
Is this really even a tutorial at this point? Let's see.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this is really bait.
Visible. Pronounce your words, Neko. Fast Neko.
We need this. If this
Okay.
is visible, I don't know how much of the tutorial this is really bait.
There's that famous
Okay, nice. So you drag it into this little.
That goes with past Neko must have like, I don't know, he's like not pronouncing anything. He's all like
So you drag it into this little window. This is like your media stuff. So where you drag the video clips.
I never know how much to edit stuff down. It's basically the same as last time, so we won't do another tutorial. Talks like me over like me, OG. It's like the Animal Crossing. They go, I'm gonna take your money.
This is like your media stuff. So where you drag the video clips.
I like the start of a rant, maybe. Maybe I did it right there. Just a rant, maybe, you know.
So where you drag the video clips. And
Just drag the video clips. Sorry, I shouldn't make fun of past Nick. I'll stop. Can't do these streams because I know future Aaron is gonna be such a jerk to the then past me, lol. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess that's fair. I mean, I'd be surprised if future Neko hasn't slapped me in the face at least once by now. Actually, I wouldn't. You're a good Neko, future Neko, aren't you? Right? You totally didn't slap me, right? Like you would never. Ow! The heck? Such a jerk, future Neko. Anyway.
And it's conforming audio, so it has to do that.
Oh,
It's conforming audio. So where you drag the video clips, and it's conforming audio, so it has to do that.
okay, we don't care.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Finally. 40 minutes in, we're actually starting what the stream was for.
Yeah, how much long? 40 minutes in. We are an hour and 30 minutes in now, and we're just now starting. Past Neko had no idea. Joke's on him, though. I'm gonna ruin his entire life. Future Neko, so screwed. Past Neko or current Neko, man, you're gonna so screwed. Heck, it's basically like working out, you know.
I always wait for it to finish conform.
Like you just punish your future self to being sore. I'll take past Neko from bullying. Thank you. May have been too late. I don't know. Depending on how future Neko is feeling, or future Neko is even watching this at all, I may have been slapped several times by now.
While that's happening, we can look at our this thing here. Oh, is that why it's?
Wait, what?
Wait, is that why it's?
Oh yeah, I know why this happens. It's because the thing is off screen. That's why it turns that weird color.
How about that? So these are like the times in
Okay, that's it.
the video that we will.
Oh wait, I probably should have kept that. I probably should have recorded for a little longer. Well.
1520 by 1080. It downloaded in 1280 by 720.
Yeah, that sucked. I don't know why I did that.
Low res Neko time. Ikuzo. Okay.
Ikuzo. I love how I go. Ikuzo.
So the top bar we can see the time here.
This may just be a tutorial for me, honestly,
Top bar we can see the time here.
and not helpful for anyone else.
So we're just gonna go in here.
Ikuzo.
And so 3 minutes in. Wait, 30 seconds. So this is
Neko.
Strip HD. Why did it download in not 1080p? It didn't even give me an option.
Yeah, it's literally like just like a download button. It doesn't even give you an option to do. Here, I'll turn this on. Like it doesn't even give you an option. Ikuza, thank you. It doesn't even give you an option to do the resolution. It literally just like download. And sometimes it's grayed out. Like it's so stupid.
Oh, I didn't zoom in enough. Let's see. That's fine.
Oh, Neko's too quiet now. I didn't think of that. Well.
Minutes. Okay. So 3 minutes-ish. What happened here? Oh. Yeah, so I'll go to this. I use the bot.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. This is the good stuff.
Yeah, so I'll go to this. I use the bottom thing here, the like wave form. Also, this is the thing I learned in project.
No.
The like wave form.
Because the thing I learned doesn't show up on screen, so we can't even use it.
Anyway, there's an option.
Yeah, option.
The, here, where is it?
It's in general.
Yeah. In general.
Yeah, I know. It's in general. Waveform, whatever.
Here, so that helps a lot. Definitely do that. So I go by that. So I'll like, and then C to cut tool.
Oh, yeah. So we'll...
Yeah, and so I go the audio here. So that helps a lot. Definitely do that. Yeah, and so I go by that. So I'll like, and then C to cut tool.
You can hear the key press. Did you hear that? You guys hear that? It's so loud.
Cut tool.
Can you guys hear it on my screen? Can you hear it? Here, wait. Can you hear it? I wonder if it's as... That sounded very obnoxiously loud. We won't include it though.
Okay, that's it. And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press... Okay, that's it. And so...
Oh, whoa, why did it clip to the wrong spot?
And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press C for the clip tool, or the cut tool, and then we go boop.
Boop. Gotta keep the boop. Gotta keep the boop in there.
And I usually put my...
I was here typing. It's fun though. I changed my filters. My last ones are actually really good at reducing typing, but it's like... Let me see. I think my current filters for some reason are like... Are different? Yeah, I don't know. I think my old ones were a little better at least. There we go.
Cursor row on a cut because it like snaps to it instead of having to like... And I usually put my cursor row on a cut because it like snaps to it instead of having to like aim.
Yeah. Wow. Remember all this. It's as if we just watched it. As long as it doesn't get rid of the mic moving sound. I know the wheat. Let's see. There we go. We got a little wheat in there. Doesn't wander. I had to do a bunch for it to do that. Wonder why.
Which I'm not very good at. As
I need to like oil it or something, or put like a bearing or something. Whee! I know. I love the whee.
And then take this and drag it to the beginning. And then we take this and drag it to the beginning. And usually I'll try to like keep this in like the work.
Yeah. Okay. We can keep this in there.
And usually I'll try to like keep this in like the working area so I don't have to zoom super duper much.
And then I go on to break that advice like 2 seconds later. So do we have... Oh yeah, this. Because then we'll go... Oh, we have... Wait, what? Did we just not... What the heck? The heck? Past Nekomiya from like 20 seconds ago? What are you doing? Why does it not highlight? Wait. No way. If your box doesn't have any height, it doesn't highlight anything? Who designed that feature? It unhighlights it if your box is like 1 pixel tall. Weird. Wild. That's what one of my roommates used to say. They would go, wild. In like the most uninterested voice.
That one, 740. I just realized that the time's going to be messed up now, so I can't move it right. Tells you this. Control Y to read.
Okay, yeah. We know our shortcuts past Neko. It's fine. We get it.
Yeah, just looking at the waveforms here to like go to like the start of like a...
I don't know if this is going to be of any use. I think it's just...
Like audio is a good way to see where you're supposed to be at. And you have to zoom in a little bit sometimes. Can help.
This is literally like not a tutorial at all. RIP. Okay, whatever.
I love that logic. It won't happen.
Wait, what?
You can clip that with the next time I pick Runic Dome. But it won't happen, so it's not gonna happen, alright? I love that logic. It won't happen, so it's not gonna happen.
Me too, past Nekomiya. I love that logic too. We all love that logic. How long is it? 30 seconds? It can totally be just a short, honestly. We'll see.
Yeah, for these sometimes you need like airtime in like the beginning and end, just so it doesn't sound you're like, you know, instead of sounding like it'll sound like, you know, so it'll sound a little more natural, like with the jump cut. Let's see how this turns out.
Yeah, I don't know. This is turning into kind of chaos already.
The first one is. These sometimes, yeah, for these.
I mean, that is good advice though. Like sometimes, like just for like those kind of clips, if it's like you know, like, or let's see what the clip even is. I think it's the one that's like, yeah, this is the thing I think, I perplex, I ponder, and like, you know, if it goes like all quickly, it's like, it sounds too quick, but if you like put a little, at least a little space in between them, it is somewhat can help sometimes.
These kind of things, sometimes you need to
oh man, the uhs. Pass Neko with your uhs. Chill in the uhs.
To leave a little like airtime in like the beginning and end, just so it doesn't sound you're like.
These are straight up jump cuts. Feel so dirty. So scandalous.
Doesn't sound you're like, you know, instead of sounding like.
Oh, there's so many lakes. What the heck? Valley Girl Neko. My gosh, like,
you know, instead of sounding like it'll sound like, you know,
like,
so it'll sound a little more natural,
like
with the jump cut. Let's see how this turns out. Cut.
like. I mean, I did go to high school in an actual valley, so I have an excuse.
Yeah.
Honestly, I probably have had the strongest valley girl accent of anybody, like even compared to the girls.
In my mind. Maybe that is.
Actually, there was this one. They had a pretty, or she had a pretty strong accent. I don't know. It was between me or them. It was pretty close. Yeah, I don't know, but like, yeah,
like.
like.
A little more natural in my.
I don't know. It's not the like. It's more of like the intonation.
Right.
I feel like.
Hey,
Like.
I'm the one who's crazy.
I know that song.
We need to get like permission to sing that song. That'd be so sick.
We do. There's no karaoke version though. It's so sad.
Probably shave a little bit off that.
Wait, why did I record this?
Yeah. It just sounds a little more natural in my mind. Maybe that is.
Neko singing #1. Thank you. Am I humming?
Hey, babe, I'm the one who's crazy. Just the wording too makes it so much funnier somehow.
What's the wording?
Yeah, that was. Oh wait. Oh, look at this! Look at this!
Oh, the trick.
I could have done this the whole time. What? That's so much easier. Okay, now we know. Now we know. 49:10.
What are you laughing at, past Neko Mia, huh? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. Oh no, that's the video. Wait, I read. Wait, that's the stream is paused. He did. It's not that. OMG discovers the trick. That trick is so meta for this kind of editing. Like normally I do it like the way I'm currently doing it, so I don't need it, but it's still pretty meta.
The wording too makes it so much funnier somehow.
That's the wording, Frank.
Yeah,
I want to look, but oh wait.
Somehow.
Like right here.
Yeah, that was. Oh wait.
I love my face. That's so funny. Let's see if I can replicate it. It's a little small to see, but let's see. Sorry, my tail's gonna whop you in the face past Neko. Hope you're alright with that. There we go. It's the best we're gonna get.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, the oh gosh. Almost tragedy almost struck just now.
Look at this. I could have done this the whole time.
That would have saved me so much time.
Done this the whole time. What? That's so much easier. What? That's so much easier. Okay, now we know. Now we. It's here. Okay, now we.
That's fine. We can keep that all in there. Oh, we'll use the trick that we just learned from Pass. Thank you, Pass Neko. I love the face. So funny. There we go. Nice. Oh, you can't get back though. That's the problem. Oh, you can't because you just scroll out and scroll back in.
4910.
Strat. Oh. Uh-oh. What did I just do? End? Did I hit the end key maybe? What's in here, you think?
Not dox my notes or whatever. No, the slime.
There's literally nothing in my notes to docs anymore. They all got deleted because they were... Literally what I did, I had my like notes document, like my Notepad++. I would have all like a bunch of tabs, literally unsaved. I don't know why I didn't save them. For like all my game dev docs, like everything, like all my to-do list and everything, I had like a full page worth of saved tabs. And literally they're all in like my C drive, so they all got deleted. Which is probably good, because I mean if they, you know, when they pile up, you're probably never going to use them, but there were a couple of design, like cool game designs in there that I was like, man, like, it'd be cool to have those. OMG, why I saved them? I'd save them now! I saved them now, okay? Can't make an omelet without breaking a couple eggs, you know? I don't think that's I don't think that's the right quote for here, but yeah, I save them now. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of stuff that you don't know if you want to save or not. Well, I guess now we know. Hindsight's 2020, yeah. Yeah. But there was some like game design, you know, like I used to do this practice, this exercise where you say, you know, in like an afternoon or like, you know, like spend a few minutes and like write down all the game designs you can of like unique games, or like think of like within a theme, sort of like, you know, train your mind of like, oh, like next time you do a game jam, you'll be primed to be like, okay, like I have to make a game, it has to be multiplayer, it has to be train themed, and it has to have a fishing mini game, you know, like, so you can train your brain. And so there were similar like follow-up documents. So like one of the ideas was really cool. I'd follow up and I'd add to it like what do you call that? I'd add to it like the design. So it'd be fishing mini game. Yeah, I don't know about that one, but or, you know, stuff like that, right? Yeah, so like I remember one, I was gonna make, like the idea was a daylight and like night, like time of day based like train survival game. And so what you do is, and so the document, right, would be like, okay, so, you know, made in Unity, it'll use pixel art, or it'll use like, you know, 3D models from an off perspective that is 2D, so like 2/3 perspective, right, or 3/4 or whatever. And it'd be like, okay, for the player, like, you know, they'll be, you know, like collecting items, and then at nighttime they have to get back to the train and get enough fuel to go to the next area, or else the monsters get them, you know. That was actually a real game idea. I still have it rent-free in my head, so I mean, if I want to make it again, I never did, but it would be cool. Anyway, yeah, stuff like that. Anyway, that's all I have. I guess let's get back to editing.
We can get rid of this. I think we'll just get rid of that.
Oh yeah, we had trouble like finding where the actual stuff we wanted was.
Oh yeah, so now we're going back through it.
Oh yeah. I see that too a lot. Oh yeah. There's like this one, like I go home like twice a year, yeah, for like, you know, or once a year probably now for Christmas, because I kind of have to. And there's like this one person, I don't even know who they are. They aren't even like related, but they always like come, like they always come, they're drunk. They always bring alcohol. They're always drunk like through the whole thing. You have no idea what they're saying, and they always go like, they do that too. They go like, yeah, you know. They're like, and then you say like the thing. They're like, oh yeah, the thing, yeah, and then they just like talk nonsense. It's literally like a skill. Like they're saying so much and saying just a random drunk guy. I mean, yeah, like literally, like several people seem to know who he is, and I literally don't know who they are. They literally just come there drunk. They bring alcohol. I mean, everybody brings alcohol, to be fair. Man, alcohol is so dumb. Oh my gosh, everybody getting like drunk and just becoming absolute jerks. Screw alcohol. Also, it's deadly to cats and Nekos, so I can't drink any, but screw it. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, it was literally so funny. Like every year, right, we cook Well, okay, this is gonna be a long story. Sorry, stream. We're supposed to be 2 hours, but we're probably going over. No, hour 40 minutes? Okay, we still have time. Yeah, every year we like make this, like for Christmas, we make like this fish. And like it's this whole process of like tradition and whatever. So we end up like, you know, it's like this deep fried, like gross, like salty fish. Anyway, we were, me and Neko sis were working on frying it. And homie just like comes up like over there. And he's like all commenting. I was thinking I was like cutting the fish pieces. It's like we buy, I don't know why, but it's like the salty Christmas fish mini game. It literally is. I could literally make like a mini game out of it. Actually, I made something really similar. I can show you guys at some point. I don't think anybody saw it. It was like a cookie clicker, but it was 2 screens where one was a cooking screen and one you had to serve the guests. It was like a double mini game. I'll show you guys that at some point. Anyway, yeah, it was really cool. Anyway, I'll show you at some point. Anyway, yeah, I think I was cutting the fish because like it's like we get, for some reason, this like salty fish. It's like poured in like a pound. It's like you get in this little wooden box, and it's like just this salt caked fish. There's like so much salt. So anyway, we soak it for a few days. So it's like the soaked, like to get the salt out, right? So anyway, I'm chopping the fish. Yeah, and homie comes up like with his alcohol in hand or whatever. And he just starts spouting about whatever, like everything, anything and everything, you know? He's all like, oh yeah, the fish, oh yeah, it was, you know, the fish, oh my gosh, yeah, you know, master chef, oh yeah, the sushi, you know, and like, you know, like literally just like naming off every fish related thing with no semblance of logic between it. So, oh, you're great, you're spitting on the fish, but like, anyway, we actually, so yeah, me and Neko took it over a few years ago. It's become so much better. Like, everybody was like, oh yeah, well, you have to do the fish the traditional way because that's the best way. Sheesh, it was literally such a nightmare. Literally, like, it's like a million people in the kitchen, everybody with their own idea of how it's supposed to be done. It's like, okay, but the fish was terrible for literally every single year I've been alive until I started doing it. Until a couple years ago, it was inedible, to me at least. Fish, sushi, fish. I was literally like that. I literally have no idea what he's saying. Like, just me sitting down trying to enjoy my eggnog, my regular, you know, like non-alcoholic eggnog. He's all you know. Yeah, but like, yeah, everybody has their own idea of how the fish is supposed to be done. The fish only became good when I started doing it, okay? Like, not even kidding. Like, it's literally not that hard. Like, the previous method, right, is they just fried the fish, I think, in flour. And they didn't, like, rinse it off enough. So, Neko method, of course, Neko's gonna know how to prepare fish, is we soak it, like, heck a lot more to get all the salt out, yeah? And then we flour, egg, panko. Or flour, egg, flour as an alternative. We do a few of both. Anyway, it's a lot better this year. Or since oh, excuse me. Haven't eaten dinner, sorry. I'll eat after this, I know. Yeah, speaking of how this food getting me hungry, I guess. Yeah, so, what was that? Yeah, the fish. Yeah. So, anyway, yeah, the fish is much better now. I'll eat after this. I wasn't hungry earlier. I don't know why. Like after going home for Christmas, I lost like so much weight. I'm trying to gain it back, but like when I eat more, I just like get full. I know that's like a tarimae na koto, like a totally like normal thing to happen, but like I don't know, like like I know it's like a thing, like, oh, you're perfect at whatever, you know, size you are, but like I'm really like I need to gain weight basically. Like I'm extremely, I can't allow hungry Nekos. I'm actually not even hungry. I was just tummy grumbling, I guess. Yeah, I'll eat after this. After we're finished, I'll eat for sure. I'll eat big. I have a big thing of soup. I have bread. Yeah, usually I'll have like soup and bread with cheese, and then I'll have some fruit, which right now I have some grapes, and then I'll have some ice cream with like something on top if I find it. I don't have anything right now, so it'll probably just be regular ice cream. Yeah, I eat a lot though. I just can't gain weight. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like I literally like I eat a ton of food, like I exercise, yummy. It's actually really yummy. Yeah, I don't know. Like I eat a ton of food, I exercise, I work out, like I just can't gain weight. Like, it's like at a dangerous level. Doctor's like, you should gain some weight. It's like, I know, I should do that. Let me just go to the store and buy some. Like, I don't know. But yeah, anyway. Okay, let's finish our editing after that story. Actually, the fish makes me less hungry rather than more hungry, so.
Oh yeah, so now we're going back through it and like re-editing.
It's actually pretty good this year.
Section, so it feels more tightly edited rather than.
Hey, come on, give me my tool. Yeah, I think this year the fish was the best it's ever been. Everybody's like, oh, are you sure you should do that? It's like, I'm sure. I cook pretty much way more than I don't think anybody in the family even cooks at all, like ever.
Rather than having like pauses between each clip, it just flows seamlessly between them as the.
Yeah, like everybody in like Neko fam, like.
Plan.
Okay, yeah, that's all. Yeah, like nobody cooks. They're always like, hey, you want to get takeout? It's like, what do you mean? It's so much money. What do you think? I'm made of money? I'm made of Neko, not made of money. What the heck? Come on. Wait, where's the thing? Wait, what? Let's see. Oh, it's a little over a minute. I don't know. We could probably trim it down to be a short. We'll think about doing that. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Oh my gosh. You have to move the playhead here because it zooms into that. So if it's at the beginning, it'll just keep re-zooming into the same spot.
Yeah, see, that feels a little long. So you can do like this and like this. So you see before. Strikes again.
Okay, I think we're not even going to include that in the first place, so let's save it also. I'm naming it Neko Video Editing Stream Edited Video.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this will really be. So you drag it into this little window. This is like your media stuff. So you drag the video clips. So the top bar, we can see the time here. Yeah, so I'll go to this. I use
such a terrible tutorial. It's so chaos. Oh my gosh.
The, like wave form, and then C to cut tool. And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press C.
Edited edit stream, edit stream video. How many? I don't even know. I can't even sense out what that would be for. That'll be like 2 or 3 streams from now, maybe.
For the clip tool or the cut tool, and then we go whoop. And I usually put my cursor when I cut because it like snaps to it instead of having to like aim. And then we take.
Okay, we can probably. I don't know. It's kind of. Oh, we can leave it
to the beginning. And usually I'll try to like keep this in like the working area so I don't have to zoom super duper.
This we don't care about.
This and drag it to the beginning. Yeah, just looking at the waveforms here to like go.
Yeah, that's the best tip I ever like learned. Maybe I heard it from somewhere, but I think just from editing a bit, I learned this is like the waveforms. Like you go to the beginning and end of these like little like waveforms here, and it like helps you find where to cut. It's like a super easy trick.
The start of like a audio is a good way to see where you're supposed to be at. Yeah, for these kind of things, sometimes you need to leave a little like air time in like
this. We don't care.
You know, instead of sounding like blah, 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 it'll sound like.
Okay, yeah, it's fine if it doesn't make sense. And I mean, I won't make it like video editing tutorial. I'll make it like how Neko edits streams, you know, something like that, like something more chaos of a title.
See where you're supposed to be at. You know, instead of sounding like blah, 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 it'll sound like, you know,
That's a little long of a wait here. Yeah, if we can get it under 60 seconds, we'll make it a short for sure. Actually, I'm a super fan of longer duration shorts. Personally, like watching them.
Yeah, you know, instead of sounding like blah, 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 it'll sound like, you know, blah, blah, blah.
That's a little long too. Yeah, like usually I like ADHD stuff, but for shorts, for some reason, longer shorts, not like too long, like, you know, like, you know, long form shorts, like where they're talking about something or like have a consistent theme or something.
It'll sound like, you know, blah, blah, blah. So it'll sound a little more natural, like with the jump cut. Yeah, that was, oh wait, yes, look at this.
Here's the title already. Neko video editing stream turns into chaos. Well, there you go.
I've done this the whole time. What? That's so much easier. Okay, now we know. Oh yeah. So now we're going back through it and like re-editing all the like in and out sections so it feels more tightly edited rather than having like pauses between each clip. It just flows seamlessly between them as the plan.
Okay, we don't need any of that.
Yeah. So now we're going back.
Yeah, we don't need any of that.
Now we know.
That's fine. How long is that? Oh, that's perfect. Wait, this is actually good. We'll get a short out of it.
Hopefully Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how
Oh, wait. Short has to... Okay, we'll turn it into a short, though, now. Project settings. I find that 720 by 1280 is the best way to make it actually turn into a short, like on YouTube. This always gets me, by the way, this thing. I use middle mouse to move it, because like in Unreal and like everything else, and like Krita and everything, it does that. But this one is right click, not middle mouse, and it always throws me off.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial...
Wait, is there...
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this is really be. So you drag it into this little window. This is like your...
I guess we look at like Neko, like zoomed out Neko for this.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this is really be. Hopefully it's
Oh, there's the play bar. Play bar is visible. That's a rookie mistake. How about now?
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this is really be.
Are we to the side? We need to like... Oh, Neko's really far to the side.
So you drag it into this...
Okay, where are we looking at? Drag it into here? Like this. There we go. Somebody's making a lot of noise outside. Crumbling on the snow with their car or something. What the heck?
This little window. This is like your... Oh, your media stuff. So there you drag the video clips.
It's such a chaos. I legit thought that this was going to make an actual tutorial, like a followable tutorial. I was so wrong.
So you drag the video clips. Media stuff. So there you drag the video.
Need to zoom in a little bit. I wish I wish I knew the way to like copy the transform of this video, like the position and scale, and paste it like on a different clip. That would be such a handy feature.
Media stuff. So there you drag the video clips. So the top bar we can see the time.
Wow, it's actually kind of... Wait, it's actually kind of good.
Here. Yeah, so I'll go to this.
Don't even need Neko in the Neko thing.
I use the bottom thing here, the like wave form.
Yeah.
And then C to cut tool. Here. Yeah, so I'll go to this. I use the bottom thing here, the like wave form. And then C to cut tool. And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press...
Oh, wait, this zoomed out too much.
To cut tool, and so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press C for the clip tool or the cut tool, and then we go whoop. And I usually...
That's a long... Wait, what? Oh, it zooms out again. Wait, hold on. My brain is not mathing this out. If it's 1280 tall... Oh, because 1920 by 1080. Oh, that makes sense. Never mind.
And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press C for the clip tool or the cut tool, and then we go whoop.
Oh, the whoop. We can make a little zoom in for that.
Or the cut tool, and then we go whoop. And I
Hold on, we'll make it a little sooner.
Tool, and then we go.
The zoom always makes me laugh. I have no idea why.
Or the cut tool, and then we go whoop. And I usually put my cursor on a cut because it like snaps to it.
Oh wait, before we do that,
and I usually put my cursor on a cut.
There we go. So this one will be showing Neko talking because it's like my brand. My brand. Weep. I love the weep. I'm like a sound effect Neko by nature, I guess.
Whip. And I usually put
I love that.
And then we go whip. And I usually put my cursor on a cut because it like snaps.
I guess I'm just a tutorial Neko now.
To it instead of having to like aim. And then we take.
Ooh, that was a good like frame transition there. That was cool. You see that?
Aim. And then we take
so cool.
This and drag it to the beginning. This and drag it.
I want the tech to like make this move over time while I do stuff like that. Like make it drag to the beginning and it like the clip moves with it. I need to learn how to do that, or I want to learn how to do that rather.
And drag it to the beginning. Yeah, just looking at the waveforms here to like go to. Like...
I guess I'll zoom in like a bunch. So like, yeah, the waveforms, Mason. That's an alternate universe.
Yeah, just looking at the waveforms here to like go to like the start of like a audio is a good way to see where you're supposed to be at. You know, instead of sounding like. You know, instead of sound.
Yeah, this can be looking at Neko. Oh, big Neko. Big Neko. I don't know why. There's no reason for past Neko to be that big.
Yeah, you know, instead of sounding like.
The waveforms, Mason. look at the waveforms or something.
Supposed to be at, you know, instead of sounding like supposed to be at, you know.
Oh wait, I have an idea. Here we go. Ready? Neko, why are you so far to the right side of the screen? What the heck? Big Neko. He's so big. He's all caps Neko. That's how big.
Supposed to be at, you know, instead of sounding like
Oh yeah, and here we'll do now we'll do the zoom. You ready? Here's where we do the zoom. Neko. Big Neko. Or maybe it goes bassier. Big. See if I can do it. Big Neko. Like that.
Supposed to be at, you know, instead of sounding like
yeah, you have to kind of center it because if it goes up, it looks weird for me.
you know, instead of sounding like it'll sound like, you know, it'll sound like it'll
And then zoom out a little bit. Man, Neko, why'd you have to be so far to the right side of the screen in this clip? What the heck? OMG made such a cool voice. Neko. Yeah, I think my voice is all, or my throat's all dried out, so I don't know, it does that easier or something. Thank you.
you know, instead of sounding like
That's the actual, that's what I should have done for the EK Man Neko voice for last stream. Where's whoever did the comment?
supposed to be at, you know,
It's for
instead of
that.
sounding like it'll sound like, you know,
How much zoom were you in for this one? A little more. We want a little more, but not as much as the previous clip, I think.
instead of sounding like it'll sound like
We
it'll sound
need to zoom out a little more. Should have cut that, or I should have figured that we were doing it that way. Well,
it'll sound like, you know,
because now it does the double thing. It goes like
it'll sound
whoop
like,
whoop. You know, it does like a little double thing.
it's
kinda funnier.
like, you know, so it'll sound a little more natural, like with the jump cut. Yeah, that was. Oh wait.
Oh yeah, this thing that we figured out. Wait, where'd our mouse go? Oh, it's all the way on the edge. Let's see.
The jump cut. Yeah.
Oh wait, this needs to be. Well, I guess that's fine if it's on the edge here. Yeah.
Cut.
Oh wait, we should probably.
So it'll sound a little more natural, like with the.
Just a little zoom. What the heck, Neko? Stop being so close to the edge. Stop being so close to the edge of the screen. Look at me. Look how far I am from the edge of the screen. You have a clear distance between me and the edge of the screen. It's like you can edit it easier, and for a short. Future Neko Mia, you can edit it easier for a short. Hey, past or current. Past Neko to you is looking to be famous here. Come on. Let me in. Let me in one of those shorts. Half Future Neko. Come on.
Natural, like with the jump cut. Natural, like with the jump cut. Yeah, that was. Natural, like with the jump cut. Yeah, that was. Oh wait. Oh, yes. Look at this.
I'll do the subtitles. I'll do like, you know, fast Neko noises.
Look at this.
Gosh, this is such chaos. Sound effect Neko. I'll use that for my game. If I do a racing game.
Oh wait. Oh, yes. Look at this.
I'm not gonna make a racing game. I think our game, if we're gonna make one, is gonna be like bullet hell style. Is my current thinking.
Yeah, that was. Oh wait. Oh, yes. Look at this.
The mouth. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
I could have done this all.
That's a weird noise. I kind of want to get rid of it and crawl up on a corner and die when I hear it. So let's get rid of it.
I could have done this the whole time. What?
Oh, wait, we need to. We'll do a little zoom out for that one. I'm sure there's a way better way to do this. Ooh, there's a pretty Neko face. Go get him, tiger. Cute Neko noise rip. No, it's gone. It's gone forever.
I could have done this the whole time.
This should be a little in, and then the next one's out. Let's see.
I could have done this the whole time. What? That's so.
There we go. Okay, we're almost there.
Much easier. Easier. Okay, now we know. Now we.
Yeah, we'll just zoom in on Neko for this final scene.
That's
Short.
so much easier. Okay, now we know. Now we know. Now we know. Now we know.
Nice. From the top?
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this will really be. So you drag it into this little window. This is like your media stuff. So you drag the video clips. So the top bar, we can see the time here. Yeah, so I'll go to this. I use the bottom thing here, the like wave form, and then C to cut tool. And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press C for the clip tool or the cut tool, and then we go whoop. And I usually put my cursor on a cut because it like.
Look at past Neko in the background, like vibrating. You see that? Look in the. You can see my mouse. Here, look in the corner right here.
And I usually put my cursor on a cut.
He's just like vibrating slowly. Let's see if I can zoom in. Where is it?
And then we go. Whoop.
Wait, where'd you go? Oh, here. Here we go. Let's see.
And we go. Whoop. And I usually put my cursor on a.
Why is that so funny? He's just like vibrating slowly. He's all.
And I usually put my cursor on a cut because it like snaps.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, paused it. Okay, we'll restart. We'll do it actually this time.
Hopefully it's visible. I don't know how much of the tutorial this will really be. So you drag it into this little window. This is like your media stuff. So you drag the video clips. So the top bar, we can see the time here. Yeah, so I'll go to this. I use the bottom thing here, the like wave form, and then C to cut tool. And so we go to here, and then we clip. So we press C for the clip tool or the cut tool, and then we go whoop. And I usually put my cursor on a cut and it like snaps to it instead of having to like aim. And we take this and drag it to the beginning. Yeah, just looking at the waveforms here to like go to like the start of like a audio is a good way to see where you're supposed to be at. You know, instead of sounding like blah, 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 it'll sound like, you know, blah, 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 blah. So it'll sound a little more natural, like.
Neko tries to do a tutorial, but it turns into chaos.
Like, you know, blah, blah, blah. So it'll sound a little more natural, like with the jump cut. Yeah, that was. Oh wait, yes, look at this.
Look at his mouth. That's so funny. That's so cool.
Yes, look at this.
Fast Neko's mouth. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Could literally watch that forever. That past Neko's mouth going, oh, when he's doing the noise.
I've done this the whole time. What? That's so much easier. Okay, now we know. Now we know. Now we know. Now we know.
That's awesome. Wait, that turned out actually better than I expected. Okay, cool. I guess all that there is now left to do is to upload the video. Oh, I said that so weirdly. I think that's the end of the stream. We'll just do one video. We'll just do a short. Hey, anything can happen, and Otsukara. I was actually thinking of that to have my thing. That was one of my contenders for my outro. Anyway, yeah, we'll hop off. I don't know. Next stream will be I am but a Neko drifting in the wind. So we'll see what next stream is. New model coming soon, maybe? Unless. What else? What other news? I don't know. All sorts of stuff could happen. Anything can happen. The short will probably be out tomorrow. Anyway, we're on the stream with a Bainya. Next stream will probably not be another one of these. Hopefully not be another one of these. Hopefully we'll you know, actually play a game on this gaming channel. Yeah. Future Neko Mio, you're not currently watching this video and not breaking the chain. Break the chain, Future Neko Mio. Alright, I'll hop out. And say no. Bye, nya. Thanks for coming. Kite kureite arigatou gozaimasu, nya. Ja ne, bye, nya. Bye, nya. Weep.